Podcast, musique, nouvelles. Vous écoutez choc.ca.
Alors, on est back.
On est back!
Ça fait trop weird encore.
T'es pas encore habitué?
C'est ça, je suis comme moi, je suis back, mais tu sais, c'est pas habituellement moi, mais peu importe.
Bon.
Alors, bienvenue d'Amour et de sexe avec moi, Lily de Destroyer.
Best intro ever.
Failli dire avec Karen. Ouais.
Tu répètes le
Shout
script.
out à Karen.
Shout out. Puis moi, J.U.D. Puis on vous revient comme à chaque semaine avec un invité. On va te laisser te présenter.
No, I want an intro. What you mean? I wanna be
that's
presented.
the intro.
Ça fonctionne.
I want to be presented. I can't get presented? All right. Hello everybody. My name is Akeem Charles, comedian, Montreal comedian. 27 years old, single, looking for love.
Hey.
If y'all looking good credit score.
Yes.
I mean, I'm working on it. And yeah, that's it. That's my intro. So holla at your boy, Kim Grams with a Z on Instagram. Let's
Perfect.
get to the shits.
Fait qu'on va commencer avec la question qu'on pose à tous nos invités. How do we shoot your shot with you?
How do you shoot your shot with me?
Yeah.
Yep.
Shit. God, that's a good question. I'm basic.
Yeah?
Hey,
How
you want? Okay, depends. How are they coming at me? DMs, or is it after a show?
N'importe
Toi qui
où,
décides,
anywhere,
là.
ouais.
Well, I'm not accepting anybody after a show no more. Don't pull up to me after a show because that didn't work out well the last time it happened.
Oh.
So we're not doing that.
Do you?
If you want,
Not doing this.
we're not doing that.
Okay.
If you want to talk to me, if you see me perform and you want to talk to me, wait at least 3 to 4 business days after you see me perform.
For that post-laugh clarity.
Yes, exactly.
Post-laugh
Post-laugh clarity. And then really decide if this is what you want to do. And if it is, you can slip into my DMs. I talk to everybody, anybody and everybody.
C'est pas ça que j'ai
Slip into
entendu,
DMs.
mais OK.
Right. Or,
Ah.
and we go, what happened?
J'ai une amie qui a ça dans tes DM si t'as pas répondu.
Who? Let me check. Wait, who? Stop
Ça fait
playing.
longtemps, d'où.
No, but who was it? Stop playing.
Clearly, every shot counts.
No, but for real, no, it must have been a bad week. Stop playing with me. Who
Or
was
a
it?
good
Je
week.
l'ai dit.
I got 3 requests.
Non,
and
mais
they're
ça
all
fait
dudes.
longtemps. Ça fait
Wait,
longtemps. Ça fait longtemps.
is it this girl? Is it Lavish Bitch?
Non.
Si t'aurais pas dû dire le nom, parce que même si c'était elle, moi j'aurais dit non.
Okay, is it that one?
Non.
No?
Je vais lui dire de te DM.
That's the spirit. Alors, what needs to be in the DM? Just a hi. I think
Just
you're
say,
funny.
hey, how are you? I saw you. You can reference it, but don't come right after the show. You can reference the show. Hey, I saw you perform at Bad Boys. Shout out to Bad Boys. And do like you were really funny. You were one of my favorites. Just lie.
Yeah.
Just lie.
Just lie.
Just lie.
Okay, lying.
Just lie. And like you said, you're one of my favorites. And that's great. One girl actually said to me, she's like, hey, I saw you at Bad Boys. It was when they were over at the other place. I don't know if we're allowed to shout them out because we're not there no more.
Non, c'est chill.
Tea Agricole. And then great food.
Yeah.
And she was like, she was like, hey, I saw you at Tea Agricole. You were amazing. You were so funny. I would just like the opportunity if you could let me make you laugh.
Oh,
I think that's my friend, actually.
Is it?
Ça se peut.
that sounds.
Awkward. Then I answered. Because I responded. I said,
You like that?
It was nice. It was a very nice gesture because I'm always one to laugh. But I was seeing somebody at the time. That's the problem.
That's what happened.
So if it's her, I didn't. It's not that I didn't respond.
Reshoot.
Hey, you can, hey, just come back. Just come back. We'll see what's popping. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here. My credit scores are all right. We can work on it together. You know what I mean? And then,
Straight up.
so that's it. If you see me right after the show, don't approach me. And then, like, I mean, if I'm just doing regular people shit, like I'm at the coffee shop or something, just hey, offer to pay for my like orange juice or something.
Yeah.
I won't accept it, but I'll be like, that's a nice gesture, and then we could go about that. But I don't be meeting people.
T'acceptes pas les filles qui payent pour toi?
It's not that I don't accept it. It's just that I feel like I'm not like call me old fashioned, but I feel like no matter what, that's the initial one, the initial interaction, the initial go out should be the dude. But mind you, I've always said the dude should never feel obligated to pay. Because like, I
Yeah.
mean, for me,
Yeah,
if I
yeah.
take Didi out for the first day, we just met. I'm like, Didi, let's go out to dinner, and we go out to dinner, and she don't even try to flinch for the.
I got it.
It's like, no, babe, put your purse away. Stop it. You know what I mean? If she don't even try to flinch, then I'm gonna be like, all right, I'll pay for it still, but she's not gonna get a call back. But for the most part, yeah, no, like just you can offer and then be like, yeah.
Donc, on a le courrier du cœur cette semaine qui va comme suit. Salut Didi et Jude. Je suis dans une relation avec une fille depuis déjà 1 an et demi. C'est ma première expérience et elle aussi. Désolée, mais depuis qu'on a commencé à Ken, plus d'1 an et demi, elle ne jouit jamais du pussy. Elle ne sent rien dedans même. Elle jouit en cuni, mais les doigts à l'intérieur font nada. C'est nul parce qu'en pénétration, elle sent quasiment rien, alors que tout va bien côté Thai. I'm black and she's Asian. On a même besoin de lube. Et elle, après 5-8 minutes, elle en a marre.
Ok.
J'ai déjà eu à doigter une autre fille. Une autre fille et ça marche plutôt bien, mais c'est la seule que je pénètre. Moi, honestly, j'aime Ken tout le temps, mais elle suit pas et ça me dérange vraiment. Merci à vous. De ce que je comprends, c'est une relation, c'est 2 filles?
C'est un gars puis une fille.
Yeah, that's what I was
okay.
trying to figure out. I was like, is it, I thought it
That
was
sounded
two
very,
girls. Yeah,
2 girls, right?
Yeah,
Ok,
at
je suis
the
pas
beginning.
folle.
Then he talked about penetrating. I'm like, they strapping each other? I was like,
C'est ma
damn.
première expérience.
With
Ça veut dire
Asian,
que-
maybe.
Asian, maybe.
C'est ça, première expérience genre fucking ou première
Il
expérience?
a dit c'est sa première expérience. Les deux, c'est leur première expérience et les deux, ils ont commencé à Ken ensemble.
C'est ça, alors ils ont perdu leur virginité ensemble.
Oh, how young are these kids? How young are y'all listeners?
Ah, yo.
Hey, ça change rien. You could be a virgin older too, ça dérange pas.
That is true. That is true. Barney's
Ok,
like,
mais
"Damn,
elle
that's-
jouit en cuni, mais les doigts à l'intérieur font nada. Ok, mais
So what's the problem?
je sais pas c'est quoi la question exactement.
Is he saying she's whack?
Il veut pouvoir la pénétrer dans le fond.
He wants to fuck,
Yeah.
but she's not fucking.
Peut-être son vagin est trop petit.
Il y a ça,
So you think it's a
Mais-
mechanical issue,
parce que
or she's just not?
il
down?
dit on a même besoin de lube. Ça veut dire qu'on dirait que
Like,
il
c'est
doit
pas
avoir des
like,
problèmes de lubrification
size
aussi
is
là.
not the problem.
C'est ça, it's preparation.
Yeah, that's it. You gotta warm up the car.
Proper preparation
It's wintertime.
prevents poor performance.
It's wintertime. You gotta warm up the car. Let the car run a little bit. That's wrong with you.
Mais elle jouit en cuni.
Ouais,
Mais parce qu'il y a des
peut-être
filles pour
c'est
lesquelles
peut-être qu'il y a
c'est-
un trop gros pénis pour elle.
Mais c'est ça, mais
Why
elle a
are
dit
you
non, il a dit les
assuming he's
doigts.
hung?
Attends.
She's Asian, though.
What does that
Everything is,
mean?
everything is too
Have- that-
Il a
Have
pas dit
you
que
been
ça
with an
faisait
Asian?
mal. Il a dit que ça faisait rien.
Have you been with an Asian woman before?
I've been.
You have?
Yeah.
How many?
One.
Okay.
One,
Do
one
you have
and
an
a half, one and a
expertise?
half.
Do you
One and
have
a
an
half.
expertise?
Listen. This is one time in Jamaica. No, I'm playing. No, but I've been with. I've been with how many? Two. And it was no different. It was no like different than like anybody else. Like
To
one
you?
wasn't
To you?
like. I mean, shit. It wasn't like tiny. Like it wasn't like, you know what I'm saying. She was well prepped, lubricated, all that stuff.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Mais
So it's
elle
like,
dit elle ne sent rien dedans même. So that's what she's telling him, that she's not feeling anything.
so he has a little ass dick.
Oh, maybe.
Thank you.
Oh.
Mais il a voulu dire que c'est pas le size le problème en disant.
But he's trying to make it on her. See, that's real.
Il a dit alors que tout va bien côté Thai, I'm black, she's Asian. So he's trying to say it's not a size problem.
Oh, now see, he's trying to deflect. We know. Okay, already we know.
Attends, dans tout ça, est-ce qu'ils ont pensé à consulter?
Moi, je pense, ils n'ont pas besoin de consulter.
Yeah.
They're both new at sex. So, learn. Il y a différentes positions qui peuvent être plus pleasurable. Parce qu'il dit, après 5-8 minutes, elle en a marre. Parce que, sûrement, la position est whack. Ça l'amuse
ouais.
pas.
True.
So, ça turn off.
True.
Let her be on top, though.
But moral of the story is,
Control.
if they just started fucking
Yeah.
each other, a period in life.
Period, on dirait.
Well, just so you know, brother, you're gonna be doing all the work.
C'est pas vrai, ça. Oh, au
You're gonna be
début,
doing all
au
the
début.
work.
Au début.
Oh no, period. You're gonna be doing most of the work.
I rebuke.
I had this conversation. Listen, you've seen my set. Thank you. Am I lying? Who in this room? Everyone's seen my shit. Tell me someone in the room. Tell me I'm lying. I'll wait. Let me drink my drink.
All the work is relative.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Parce que
It's
there
relative.
is les positions donnent une impression that you guys are putting in more work. But if there's proper...
Non.
Get her, boy.
Ça,
Get her, boy.
ça,
What we're not gonna do.
me donne l'impression que
J'aime pas le
quand
ratio
je suis
qu'il y a
là
ici
derrière,
au moment.
là, mes bras sont en train de bang. Tout
Personne
mon
t'a
corps,
envoyé
mes
lever
bras,
qui que
mon
ce soit.
bassin, tu comprends? Et puis, femme là, après, les plus fort. Puis là, moi, attends.
C'est ton ego qui veut performer à ton
ego!
Mais
Didi.
si ton but, c'est que tu veux pas travailler, il y a des positions dans lesquelles tu vas travailler moins.
Let me ask you, I have a question.
Tu vas me dire que missionnaire, la fille travaille.
That's what I'm saying.
You can fuck back.
What are you doing on your back?
You can fuck back.
What are you doing?
On your back.
Pelvis.
Oh my god.
Les filles font ça.
What girl's doing that? Oh my god.
Oh.
Mais
Ouais, mais Didi, t'es
Ah,
une
t'es
fille.
que...
certaines filles le font quand même. tu
Certaines,
comprends?
c'est pas la règle.
Comme, c'est vrai, il y a certaines femmes que
Stop.
ça arrivé dans le missionnaire, ça te positionné d'une certaine façon, puis elle va commencer à la gagner un petit coup de gouillade.
Hey.
Un petit coup de gouillade.
That's why I need to learn
Tu
pom
comprends?
That's exactly why I need to learn
Mais
pom-pom.
combien de
Look at
femmes
this guy.
tu comprends? Une femme
Change de
avec 10.
position. Then you can, when you do the side spoon, you can fuck back on the side spoon.
Barely. Like y'all acting, but the thing is though, y'all.
You can literally
Your side
lay
spoon,
down
c'est la
and side
pire
spoon.
position.
But here's what I'm saying.
All the way.
When girl, okay, so but here's what's crazy. Here's what's crazy. No, but here's what's crazy.
I can't reach.
When you hit it from the back, right? You hitting it from the back.
Yeah.
Just,
Yeah.
When girls throwing it back,
Yeah.
it's literally like 85-15.
C'est ça.
Like you're not throwing back. What are you throwing back? I'm already meeting you there.
So you just want to
Straight
be
up.
there and you want to get fucked.
Like what the hell? No, I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying we're not gonna sit here and call this lie of y'all putting in that more work than us. Like it's crazy. I had this conversation on Wednesday. These girls want to talk about, in missionary, it's not just missionary. You girls, ladies aren't just like holding their legs down on the bed. Like niggas is pushing their legs down like over the knees to the head, and they're like, that's work. We gotta hold that position. And I was like, time out. I was like, time out. That's like, for those of you who go to the gym, this is gonna be a good reference for you guys. That's literally like when a girl's doing planks. She's doing planks, like ab planks, and a nigga's doing crunches. What's harder? The crunches, because you actually working.
Oh, you work on
you-
a plank after like
You're
a minute.
You're holding.
And you're
It
contracting.
hurts after
Or a
a minute.
minute.
It hurts after. Let me ask you a question. How long are you holding a position for in bed?
Depends.
After 45 seconds, you switching up. Stop playing.
45 seconds?
45 to a
C'est sûr que
minute.
si t'es sur ton
Mais
dos,
ça dépend.
Oh, exactly, bro. It don't feel like that. Thank you.
si t'es sur ton dos, c'est sûr que
Parce
tu
que
switches
à
pas.
ça-
Un missionnaire,
Non, en
tu
tout
peux
cas-
faire 45, une position. Là, tu peux lever une jambe, tu peux donner l'autre 45. Tu peux lever l'autre jambe, tu peux donner l'autre
And
45.
but your leg is still
And
getting.
then you
One
can
leg's
switch
getting-
your
Oui, mais
legs
t'es
to-
quand même sur ton dos, still.
You haven't moved.
Puis c'est même pas toi qui lèves ta jambe, c'est le
Non.
gars qui lève ta jambe.
Dis qui? Non.
My nigga. My
C'est
nigga.
déjà-
My nigga. Stop playing with me.
OK, the
La
ratio
seule-
is not 50-50. Agreed.
La seule
100%.
façon qu'une fille
It's not-
travaille, c'est
it's
quand elle est
not-
en top.
100%. I speak
Voilà,
truth.
c'est ça. Et quand elle est en top, combien de variations de positions qu'elle
Ça, on va
faire?
même pas
Mais il y a
discuter
genre,
aujourd'hui.
quand elle
You
fait
have
le
reverse
combo.
doggy.
Après ça,
No, you have reverse
Like,
cowgirl.
I don't know.
Reverse cowgirl,
Combien de temps avant
cowgirl.
que ça t'arrive?
Reverse
Quand-
cowgirl's trash.
It's
Quand
kinda
Missy
trash,
Trash.
eh?
Oh, but mind you, we're happy to be there.
depuis
I'm
que
okay.
t'étais.
I'm okay with doing the work, but I
That's
just
what we
need.
bring to the
but we,
table.
yeah, but we just need to kill this
yes.
facade and this fallacy that women have. That y'all are out here like killing this shit, right?
I don't know if we're saying that we're killing
Right?
shit.
And the worst part about it, y'all got the nerve
Why not
to
y'all
judge.
killing, though?
Bro, how many girls you like, yo, I gotta make a nigga work for this. Bro, I gotta work to get it, and then I gotta work
When I
during
get
it?
Yo.
What the fuck?
Moi, je vais dire quelque chose que les gens ne disent pas souvent. C'est Renzel au micro si vous n'avez pas compris ce qui se passe.
I hate him so much. I hate him so much.
Mais j'ai tendance à comparer les femmes à des policiers.
Oh God, here we go.
OK?
Aïe, aïe.
Au sens où il y a des femmes dehors qui font du bon travail, qui investissent dans l'art de faire. OK? Un peu comme les bons et les mauvais policiers, y'all should be outing these other women that are just making...
Y'all look
Oh,
bad.
us look bad.
You look bad, you feel me?
True.
Ce truc d'unité, là, ça sert à qui?
I agree with that.
Ça sert à qui?
Yo!
Listen, I've always said it. I've always...
Attends, moi j'ai une question. Est-ce que entre femmes, les femmes se donnent des tips?
Non.
Comme
Y'all, what do y'all do at the
genre,
beauty
après
shop?
un bon
Vous donnez pas
coin
de
là,
tips?
puis comme
Ça dépend. Je pourrais pas. Non.
That's why y'all not prospering now. I would change my whole shit if y'all just helped each other out.
Your mama
My
first.
guy friends will give me tips, but I won't talk to my
Your
girlfriend.
guy friends, that's just them trying to get you to smash.
No.
Straight up.
For real. What nigga's going up to his girlfriend talking about, hey, yo, you know what this nigga would really
And
like?
vice versa.
Vice versa, pas te mentir, parce que j'ai beaucoup d'amis filles, you know, they would,
That's different.
but that's the thing.
That's different.
Si la conversation est à propos du sexe, ok,
Right.
and they would give me leur opinion ou leur, oh moi j'aime ci, moi j'aime ça, le gars qui me fait ci. Moi personnellement aussi je vais lui dire yo, un gars aime quand tu fais ça. Tu comprends? Comme, toi, le petit bridge en bas de
That's
tes balls,
different. I'll tell you why.
touche-le toi aussi.
Le bridge en bas des balls.
The gooch.
J'aime ça.
Tu comprends?
The gooch.
The
That's what
bridge.
it's called.
Tu comprends? Touche-le avec tes ongles, tu comprends?
That's
Si
the
t'es
gooch.
freaky, mets ta langue.
Tes
It's a
ongles.
very good
Hein?
place
That sounds
to be.
like. C'est ça,
C'est
là.
ça, je veux dire, essaie.
Tu mets tes ongles où?
Non, mais
Comme
comme
you
non,
graze the
non, mais
gooch
gooch,
avec
je
tes
t'ai pas dit que tu fais, t'es en train
Avec
de...
tes ongles.
Mais oui, tu fais, tu
graze.
caresses les...
What them long fingernails for anyways?
Pour de la cocaïne.
Long fingernails for anyways? Stop playing.
Oh, jeez.
Stop playing. But now, y'all, I always said it. Ren has a good point. I've always said every group in the world needs to self-audit. Right, men need to self-audit so we can stop we can need to get the fuck boys out so it makes
Yes,
the good
yes,
guys
yes,
look
yes,
good.
yes.
And women, y'all need to self-audit so whoever's out here in these streets doing whack shit and putting a bad name on women, y'all need to get them the fuck up out of there so that way all there's left.
No, man, you know what? There's one of these things is that nous les hommes, c'est français, anglais, c'est quoi on fait là?
N'importe.
Peu importe. Écoute,
God.
le problème c'est que nous les hommes, on n'aura pas de problème à outer des gars.
Facts.
Ah, ça se trouve ce gars-là est mauvais au lit. Mais j'ai jamais entendu une fille outer, you know, les ou des groupes de filles. Dans vos groupes de filles, vous savez vous-même qui est-ce qui donne pas de bonne tête.
We
Juste
gotta
la manière
do
qu'elle parle.
Right?
Ça-
We gotta do that. And we look
Non,
like
non,
the
non,
dickhead.
you feel what I'm saying? Like, you guys never do it though. Genre, vous vous connaissez comme si là, dans le groupe, il y a personne dans un groupe ensemble qui va dire, yo, let's be honest, ça fait des
Right.
années qu'on se connaît. There's no way tu fais des bonnes têtes.
But we don't really. But
Yo.
honestly, no, but on some real shit, we don't be doing that shit either. We don't know.
Like,
We don't
hey,
know.
buddy, do you hit it right? Is
So
your
you
girl
been
satisfied?
smashing? She don't look. She don't. Why she not walking with a
I can
limp?
tell you every guy in Bad Boy who I know could fuck good and not.
But Ren's different. Ren's different. He got all these girls. He got all these females working for him like a little Pied Piper, right? He knows. I'm sure. Listen. In 10 years from now, Ren is gonna have an hour special on Comedy Central or something like that,
Ça va
roasting
s'appeler
all.
Ayo pour de vrai.
And he's gonna roast every male that's ever been affiliated with Bad Boys because he got the ins. He has every girl out here just go get this one, get this one, and just recruit and just
Oh, you a
accumulate
pimp,
all this
Renzo?
information. Nigga,
These guys got it wrong. These guys come and try and serve themselves off my plate. You feel me? C'est ça qui se passe. C'est ça qui se passe. C'est-à-dire, les gens arrivent avec moi, tout le monde essaie de se faire ami. Tu vois, je veux dire. Mais c'est pas grave. Moi, j'ai toujours dit, si un arbre est sur un fruit, t'es capable de prendre le fruit, c'est pour toi. C'était pas pour moi à la base.
Anyways, more
Hey,
stories.
tout ça pour dire que notre cher
Anonyme.
ami anonyme, practice makes perfect.
That's it.
Try.
Mais pour de vrai,
Try.
un truc qui m'a aidé avec ma première copine, c'est qu'on appelle, elle a appelé Info Santé pour
Ah,
demander des trucs. On avait genre
J'ai dit consulter.
on avait genre
Mais
17,
consulter,
16,
ça sonnait
16,
thérapie.
For real?
Ça,
On a-
ben,
ouais.
demande à des
Elle a
experts.
appelé. Elle a appelé, puis genre, elle a demandé,
How'd that conversation go?
Mais c'est ça, j'essaie de comprendre
Ben-
parce que ça lui faisait mal, c'est quoi?
elle n'enjoyait pas.
Oh, wow.
Mais
Info
c'était-
Santé,
c'était
I
nos
would
premières
like
fois.
to-
I would like to
mais
know how
alors,
to please my
est-ce que
girlfriend.
ça a fonctionné?
Oui, actually, ouais. Actually, ouais.
Hey,
Let's
Info
call him
Santé,
right now.
return.
Est-ce que
Non.
pas
Let's call him right now.
Beautiful.
Ben
OK.
quoi, c'est consulte, demande de l'aide.
Demande de
puis-
l'aide. Parlez-vous.
Oui, parlez-vous.
Parlez-vous. Communication parce
Puis
que...
crache sur le vagin.
Ouais.
C'est... Oui.
Oui.
Pour une première interaction, faut build up. Build up, fais-le pas sans intention. Tu vois, juste...
C'est quoi son problème au gars?
He's with a Thai chick, but that has nothing to do with anything.
Hey.
That has nothing to do with nothing.
Lui puis sa copine, ça fait 1 an et demi qu'ils sont ensemble. Ils viennent juste de commencer à have sex. She only enjoys Kuni, mais pas de pénétration de doigts ou pénétration, elle dit qu'elle sent rien. Mais le gars dit qu'il n'y a pas de problème. Elle dit qu'il n'y a pas de problème de taille. He's black, she's Asian.
Non, mais il n'y a pas de problème. Ça veut dire, si elle sent rien, she touches herself, he gets some pussy, puis everybody's happy.
I mean, c'est ça que j'ai dit.
If only it was this.
More sex is probably your best option.
Just do it more and just learn about each other's body.
Yeah, exactement.
OK. On passe à la...
Attends. Ben, envoyez-nous vos courriers du cœur au d'amour et de sexe podcast @gmail.com, sur notre Instagram d'amour et de sexe, sur Twitter d'amour et de... Non. DAEDS podcast.
Nigga, just write it down.
Ça va être...
ou sur nos Instagram respectifs.
Yes,
J'ai l'expérience.
Ça reste anonyme. Didi the Destroyer.
C'est ça.
Alors, on passe à l'actualité. Alors, on a la copine ou l'ex-copine à Sway Lee, qui est la moitié de Ray Shremmer, qui a mis un hit de $20,000 sur sa tête.
God damn!
Mais après ça, she took it back. Elle a reverse.
She got that?
Ben, je sais pas. Mais elle l'a fait, I saw the post.
C'est avec l'argent de Sway Lee.
Kill him. The money's good. I'm gonna have it.
I swear.
Yeah, she was pissed at him. Elle a fait un post comme si I got 20,000 for anybody that wants to get this guy.
Est-ce pas arrêter?
Non, mais le monde, on lui a dit assez rapidement que c'était pas mal illégal de faire ce genre de truc. You can't just offer money for to have somebody killed.
And what you do? Put this, her dumb ass put it on Instagram?
Yup.
So stupid.
Right now, on fait des
So
On fait des posts.
Pour des
So
clouds.
stupid. She probably put it as a question. Yo, who would put him on a hit? Question and how people respond. Like a dumbass.
I mean, moi,
Mais qu'est-ce que le gars a fait pour
c'est
genre,
ça l'affaire.
pour
Mais
ça?
ces deux-là, c'est tout le temps le bordel.
C'est
genre.
feu gasoline pour des
First of all, $20,000 is not enough money.
To kill a human?
Ben oui.
No. To kill him is different. To kill Sway
Still,
Lee,
ouais.
to Sway Lee, he would turn around and say, "Oh, her 20,000? That's what grocery money.
Grocery money.
Grocery
Flip it.
money. Here's a mill. Go ahead. Oh, word? That's what we doing? She get hit pop so quick. What you mean? That is not enough money because Black Beatles.
And everybody's in jail. And
Straight up.
C'est
Damn,
fou.
She's stupid.
Et je veux juste,
stupid.
on est à Montréal, là, je fais un shout-out à toi et moi café, ok? Parce que j'ai été chercher un muffin, et puis la fille m'a dit qu'il restait au chocolat et au bleuet. J'ai pas compris que c'était les deux ensemble. Bon. Ain't nobody was looking for that, ok? That's just, ça c'est disgusting.
Is it?
Yo, en 2020, là, c'est là que vous avez décidé que c'est... Non,
disgusting, c'est
non,
confusing à regarder.
c'est comme...
Ça, le
Non,
regarder,
Oh,
c'est
you
comme...
have
I'm offended.
So wait, time out. When she told you that, what did you ask for?
Blueberry.
And then she
And she
one
gave
with
you the
chocolate.
mix still.
Yeah, I said, what's left? She said, blueberry and chocolate. Would you ever think they were together?
Absolutely not.
Mais peut-être c'était
That's why I
chauffé.
wanted. That's why I
Peut-être
wanted.
c'était chaud.
Non.
That's why I wanted.
Non, non seulement ça, les blueberries sont entiers. C'est même pas des blueberries, c'est des myrtilles, mon chum.
Oh, bon.
That's funny.
Regarde
Tout
ces
ça
gens
pour
acculturés.
Des myrtilles.
That's
Okay.
funny.
Would you like to have a power on a girl that makes her want to put hits on your head?
Absolutely not.
Would
Like
you
how? Like wait. Like you
want
talking
to
about?
have so much impact on her life?
Absolutely not. I'm cool. I'm A-okay with that. I don't need that. I'll go around telling people I got a weak dick. It's not the
Yeah.
first time. Go ahead, tell I'm a dickhead, whatever. I don't care. Like, tell her I don't eat vagina. Tell my
Yeah.
dick stink. I don't give a fuck. I don't need all that stress in my life. $20K?
20K.
For me right now, that's a lot of money. I might take myself out just to
You take the contract yourself. I can disappear.
hide out in Mexico, hide out in Cuba with Tupac and just chill for a little bit. God damn, $20K? Hell no.
With Tupac.
Like, how upset are you at a person when you gotta fucking you wanna put a hit out on a person, even if it's for $1?
J'ai le feeling, Hakim, que you're not ready for fame yet.
I'm not ready for fame. Absolutely not. I'll be the first one.
Like, I don't want it.
People
I
will
want
do
the
this
money.
for... Les gens vont faire ça for way less, mon
Oh,
frère.
ouais.
No, but extortion is different.
Non, same.
Extortion is
une
different. Someone put in
une
a
fille
hell-
Hakim qui pensait qu'elle pouvait t'avoir. Puis là, elle te voit ton étoile monter.
Yeah.
And she's stuck where she's at. She's trying to pull you back if she can 6 feet under the ground. This is what happens.
Someone put
that
a hit
easy.
out on me.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Like, I want this nigga
They don't.
gone.
They don't.
Yeah.
They don't like say. They don't cry rape. They don't. That's a hit, nigga.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm not. If that's the case, I'm not ready for
Juste y
fame
penser,
yet.
je trouve ça tellement stupide. Like, she
Yeah.
really thought it would be funny. Tout le monde était comme, I'm so pissed at him. Oh, 20,000.
So pissed.
Yeah, that's illegal. So that's really.
And you put it on Instagram
Yep.
Yeah.
like a fool.
How to be a dumbass, 101.
Oh my god.
But he's probably going to be with her next week, so c'est vraiment correct.
C'est vraiment... Yo, that pussy
Probably.
must be bomb.
Or that.
They say the craziest broads got.
De base.
Because he always has one or two girls fighting over him. So je me dis, yes, he's rich, but.
Yeah, but he's ugly.
Sway Lee.
Swelly.
Yeah,
Mais ça, tu savais pas? Crazy girls have the best.
Coochie.
yeah, but I never.
T'as jamais
See,
fucké de
see,
filles
you know,
folles.
I've yet to be with a girl that's
Didi
made
doesn't like
back and
that
forth
when we
like
say that because the problem is she'd like to have the best pussy, but she don't want to be seen as crazy. So
She's not even denying it too. She's like the pussy potential's there, but
but am I that crazy? though?
perception. God damn.
Moving right along.
She's like switch it up real quick.
Alors, on a un petit jeu. Since
Pour toi, Kim.
you have this campaign on
Right.
wanting to be on Wild and Out.
Yes.
So
Nick
you-
Cannon, holla at me. Chicken
Yes.
shit.
Mais il y avait les auditions il y a pas longtemps.
I just watched it on the way here. I was watching it on the way here.
Put
I could have bodied all of them.
For sure.
So we're gonna play a game. The
do it.
game that they have on it called Let Me Holla.
Okay.
So do you know the people that are on Wild and Out? The girls?
There's like 3.
Okay.
Which
There's
two do you
Justina
know?
Valentine.
Yeah.
Pretty V.
We have Justina, B. Simone,
B.
Julia, Young, Lovely Mimi.
Okay.
My name's T and Vina. E.
Yeah, I know my name's T and then
Okay, so just do for the ones that you know.
Okay.
So yeah.
Mettons Justina.
So I have to shoot my shot with her?
Yeah,
Yeah.
let me holla.
So you're Justina?
Yeah.
Oh man, girl. What's up, Justina? You good, boo?
Hi.
You good, boo? Hey, listen. I know you see what's going on Instagram. All these niggas going to war. You trying to get that citizenship? I save you, boo. I'm ready for Wild Out. Bring all at your boy. I'm here.
Attends. Renzel va être DJ direct.
DJ Direct.
Est-ce que c'est un X ou un ding?
Oh, he's a hater. He's a hater.
Okay, something for B. Simone.
Something for B. Simone.
Baby boy.
Baby boy.
Boy. Hey, baby boy. Hey, B. Simone. B. Simone. How you doing, boo? I'm trying to show you love. All in the bedroom. You know I'm out here trying to see your friends, but you know I could be your boyfriend.
Est-ce que
Ding, ding, ding,
Bis
ding,
Simone,
ding.
c'est pas la transsexuelle, ça?
Non.
Ah non, je check.
Elle a un-
Non,
elle a-
c'est
elle a-
chaud,
Non,
nigga.
non, mais il y en a un, mais c'est un.
Yeah, no.
Il y a un
Watch the show,
transsexuel qui s'appelle
nigga.
Simone quelque chose, right? B. Simone or
C'est
something.
B.
like
Scott.
that.
I need some of that orange juice because this shit hit.
Hey, moi, je te trouvais ouvert d'esprit, Hakim. Moi, j'étais comme wow.
Listen, I'm ready for the show.
T'es ready.
I'm ready for the show. I wear the Bad Boys t-shirt every episode. I don't give a fuck. I'm ready for the show. Whatever plugs anybody got. Who else am I doing? What are the game you want me to do?
There's another game?
There's a
No,
bunch
there's
of
another girl. Do it again. Holla at me.
Who's a pretty?
Vina E.
I don't know. Is that the Asian one?
No,
My
the best
name's
friend.
T.
B. Simone's best friend.
I don't know who that is. I need to know.
Let's say Jessie Wu was there as a special guest.
Oh,
Jessie
do you know who Jessie Wu?
Juicy
Yeah, I don't know.
Smollett.
You don't know who that is?
But yo, Asian girl, I've been low key like,
Asian girl.
yo,
Yeah.
the part, like
The thick one.
Yo, no, but like I'm trying to like that's the genre of porn I've been watching out lately.
Okay.
Oui.
Okay,
that-
ben, shoot your shot.
Shoot your shot at that girl.
At the Asian girl?
Yeah.
Hey girl, Confucius says, you want this dick?
Oh, come on. Oh, come on.
He's trying to hate on me.
Come on.
I ain't gonna disrespect the Haitian rum like that. Put orange
Okay,
juice in. I'm gonna just
do you...
ça.
tu connais-tu la Jewish girl? Là? Julia Young.
Oh, that's she on Decent Samaro now.
Oh, yeah?
Word?
Yeah, she's a writer on that show.
Shout out.
Yeah.
So shoot your shot with her.
I don't want to.
Wow. I'm showing a
But
picture
if you
to the
add to-
audience.
Who that?
Isn't that her?
That's
Yeah.
her.
Yeah, that's
She,
She-
don't-
she's-
hey, whoa. She don't look-
She I could tell from the picture she's fun.
No, she's funny.
What kind of fun?
She's funny.
Oh my god.
Fun.
Oh,
I'm changing the picture.
Wow, still.
It's a switch up, but still, regardless.
Still.
It went from she fun to she fun, but we just ain't gonna tell each other.
Keep
We ain't telling nobody.
ourselves.
Keep this to ourselves.
Shout out to you, girl.
But she
Doing
funny though.
all the
She
things.
funny.
Yeah, she funny.
Ok.
Yeah, I'm ready for.
De quoi?
C'est ça.
Oui, c'est ça.
C'est donc un
Si,
petit
ouais,
Lenny
c'est ça.
Holla à
À
Jessie
Jessie
Woo.
Woo? Non, Jessie Woo, non. Parce que le problème, c'est qu'elle wouldn't.
Qui
You
d'abord?
wouldn't, exactly.
Non,
d'abord? Qui
j'ai
d'abord?
pas. I have a hard time with,
Tu fuckerais pas Jessie Woo.
avec les touillettes à café déjà utilisées.
Tu fuckerais pas Jessie Woo.
What?
Non.
Menti.
Pas de devant, pas de
Red
derrière.
Menti!
Pas de devant, pas de derrière. Et puis ce qui est au-dessus est attaché.
Yo, Red
Wow. I wasn't expecting
Fuck!
Moi, je vais répondre parce qu'elle fait trop de grimaces, mais pas pour ça. Écoute, si je la connaissais pas, peut-être. Non, moi, je trouve qu'elle fait trop de grimaces. Ça, c'est moi,
C'est vrai qu'il y a
personnellement.
beaucoup de grimaces.
Je trouve qu'elle fait trop de grimaces. Elle n'est pas comme. Ce qu'elle trouve drôle ou ce que les gens trouvent drôle de elle, moi, je trouve juste.
Non, je lui donne
Ridicule.
plaisir, donc il est wrong, mais ça faudrait qu'elle donne gratis.
Mais.
How did I do?
Ah,
You
c'est pas-
tell me how I did.
You did
Thank
you
you.
did good.
I could
you
be
did
on the show.
three, You,
Yeah.
you did 3. I say at least 2 were very good. The
Like they
third
were-
one was meh.
What, the Confucius?
Yeah.
I think that would have worked.
Like it.
It was confusing.
That's the best one.
Shit, thank you.
The future one, non?
The Confucius one? That was the best one.
Look at all this male support. I wasn't expecting for there to be so many guys here today.
It's a lie. It's hot in here.
Now I'm gonna leave. I was just saying it's hello. I was coming to see you.
Oh, I'm happy you're here. But I'm just saying, okay?
All right.
Alors, on va passer aux questions bazar.
Yes.
Alors, on a plusieurs. Mr. Hakim,
We here for it.
any tips on how to be goofier in a relationship?
Goofy. Listen, you can't. There's no tips you can give someone for being goofy. It's like there's no tips you can be for someone being funny. It's either you're goofy or you're not goofy.
C'est ça.
Right? There's no. Just like if you're goofy, my only tip is don't try to hide it. Be goofy,
Yeah,
be
yeah.
silly,
Yeah.
be fun, be all that. But if you're
Yourself.
not a goofy person,
Don't force it.
there's nothing because it's gonna come ungeneric and she's gonna end up
Tell you the
leaving.
truth. Je vais vous dire la vérité. Je traduire pour Hakim.
OK.
En fait, il faut que tu agisses avec les femmes. Parce que les humoristes, de manière générale, n'ont pas de game. Il faut que tu actes. De
Check là, il est comme.
manière générale, je vais pas dire Hakim, de manière
c'est ça.
générale.
OK.
Mais il faut
OK.
que tu actes comme si tu sais que
you
tu vas pas taper. Tu vois, je veux dire, il faut que tu actes. Il faut que tu n'aies pas de problème dans ta tête à toi à dire je vais aller so far que je sais que je vais pas taper. That's literally what goofy is.
Facts.
That's literally what
Gotta
goofy
agree.
is.
I gotta agree. No, honestly, I go every female interaction. Like I'm always surprised when I fuck.
Wow.
No, because think about it. No, I tell people because people when I listen, think about it. Because a while ago I had a one night stand. Right, y'all may know her. I ain't gonna strap her name out, but she saw me after a show.
Oh, yeah.
Again, right? And she looked at me, and we got back to her spot, and she's like, how come you don't got no condoms? And I was like, because I don't walk around leaving my house assuming I'm gonna get pussy.
Straight.
I'm not arrogant.
No, straight.
no.
I'm not arrogant like that. I don't. No, I know.
You just going to do your show.
I'm
doing
just
your
going to do
thing.
I go about my day. Akeem, what you got planned for today? I'm gonna eat some Cheerios, watch some Netflix. I got a show tonight at Bad Boys. I'm gonna crush that shit, and then I'm coming home and sleep. Akeem, what'd you do? What'd you do yesterday? Yo, I woke up, ate some Cheerios, watched some Netflix, went to the show, killed
Hakeem,
Bad
you need
Boys.
some OG. I need to shadow you, my brother. Yo, I got wife beaters that
100%.
got pockets in there just for condoms.
Yes, I understand
Alright,
that.
like this
But-
how equipped I be.
I understand you're equipped
Because you are
The
equipped
crime.
because you know it's gonna what might
because
happen in your
because
day.
you ready to fuck. I don't leave the
because
house
I'm-
assuming I'm gonna get pussy.
No, because
I ain't as
because-
arrogant as fuck.
Stay
I'll tell
ready
you
so
what
you
it
don't have
is.
to
Is
get
that
ready.
Stay ready.
is that if it I'm always ready.
Right.
Because the thing is, say who's one of those actresses you love, une actrice que t'adores, que tu aimes. Et puis là, elle vient au show, ha 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 ha. Ouais, I'm leaving, my God, j'ai comment il s'appelle, la Freeport, là, dans 2 heures, là.
Right.
Come to the bathroom. What you
Right.
got?
You do that raw.
Là, elle dit non.
That
Elle
raw
dit,
shit.
no, she got things. She got a life to live. She got opportunities to live. She's not trying to get a baby or other things from you. Elle veut pas avoir de bébé de toi. Alors là, elle dit, t'as pas de condo. C'est qui? Okay, donne-moi une actrice, une belle, la noire, là. Justin Sky est en ville. OK?
Ouais.
Justin Sky est en ville. Et puis elle dit, yo, le truc est sur le Freeport, là. On part dans 2 heures, là. Là, c'est la toilette. Maintenant, t'as un condom.
Baby girl, si tu me demandes déjà si on va aux toilettes, tu t'en fous un peu des conséquences, je pense. OK?
Oh.
If she's going about fucking, she should have
Maybe
a condom.
she should have some condom.
Exactly. She was ready. I wasn't.
Thank you.
But maybe you were that funny, though.
I was or was not?
You were.
There we go.
So
That's because she
funny that
didn't
she
leave her
didn't-
house that way.
Then I'll just eat her butt, get her Instagram, and call it a day. And next time we
That's-
cross each other.
Nah,
Funny.
on va dans les toilettes.
I'll eat
Il
her
arrive
ass,
ce qui
call it a
arrive.
day.
Il arrive ce qui arrive.
Ça nous amène à notre
Toi,
prochaine
Give her
question.
nut. Give her nut. So that way when she comes back in town, she
Anyway,
knows what
she must have money, so she can come back
She can
to the
fly a nigga
Canada
out.
and have free abortion.
It was
She
a
can
one-time thing.
No, she can
Like
fly-
that.
Get a free
No, no,
abortion.
no, no, no.
Nigga, she can fly a nigga out. She got bread. She's an actress. She can fly a nigga
Si tu
out.
prends, what about you? If tu prends MTS, ETS, tu
Non,
vois? C'est là,
ça
t'es parti faire une connerie.
ça va avoir valu la peine.
Oh mon Dieu.
Eh ben. OK, prochaine question, parce que you brought up the subject. Oh, bon.
So, il y a très longtemps, ok, j'ai rencontré une fille, ok? J'ai rencontré une fille, disons qu'elle a un enfant avec Nas.
Lol. Continue.
Ok, je vais pas dire de nom.
Whoopsie.
Ok?
Nas n'a pas 48 enfants, mais c'est chill.
Ok? Puis genre de délire où est-ce que justement le condom faisait toute la différence. Ok? Ça, je veux dire, j'aurais pu avoir un share baby mama avec Nas, toi, je veux dire. Mais
Like I said, I'll eat her vagina and her butt.
OK.
And I'll go.
non, mais ce que je suis en train de dire, c'est que elle non plus était pas intéressée. Tu comprends ce que je veux dire? Elle était intéressée à moi sur le moment, mais pas à n'importe quel prix.
Okay.
Tu sais, c'est comme si, tu vois, je veux dire, c'est
I
comme
get what you're saying.
Depuis ce jour-là,
Ça fait-
j'en ai toujours
Ça fait Ben
apprécié.
Kelly's.
J'ai dit.
Tu sais, le gars, il reste tranquille.
Oh man, I'm
Ok.
getting drunk. God
Prochaine
damn.
Mais c'est quoi, t'as mangé son Bouddha? T'as rien fait. Ah, yo, pardon.
The risk was not worth it. En tout cas, sans commentaire.
N'importe quoi.
So, je vais skipper à cette question-là parce qu'on a parlé un peu beaucoup de ça dans les dernières secondes. How much ass you ate last year?
Last year, 2019, fuck. Do you want an exact number or like a round?
I mean,
Moi, j'ai
ballpark
commencé en
works.
2019.
Oh, t'as commencé en 2000, shout out.
Shout out.
How much ass I ate in 2019? Over 30, less than 50.
What kind
Over
of
30 asses?
Okay, whoa,
Yeah.
whoa. You don't fuck everybody you eat their ass, or you also fuck? Because this is a
Tu manges
good
le cul
year.
de tout le monde, toi.
T'as gratté ta tête.
No. I've definitely eaten vagina / ass more than I've, like slightly more than I fucked.
Eh ben.
OK, mais
I'll be
ça
like
va.
5.
Okay, da. So this is really a thing for you. Like,
I eat ass. I'm trying to grow the beard.
No, this is not what I mean. This is a thing for you, just eating ass and eating a vagina.
Yeah,
and,
I like it.
But
and
not
not fucking.
Yeah,
I mean,
I like
yeah.
it. I like it.
OK, mais j'ai une question, là.
Attends, like,
Attends, j'ai une question.
like, not at all. Pas de pénétration.
Like I tried to fuck and she said no, just eat my pussy, or like I just went in there and just said I'm just eating pussy.
you.
Mais c'est toi
Yeah,
qui
no,
décides.
I've just like no, I go in there.
Yeah.
I go like there are times where I've gone in and I'm like, yo, I'm not trying to fuck. I'm just trying to eat you out.
OK.
And it's not her
Like,
birthday. And it's
your
not her
dick is
birthday.
hard, your dick is hard.
And it's not even
Dick's
my
hard.
birthday.
Yeah,
No, man,
my
you
dick's
don't-
hard as
you
fuck,
don't-
nigga. Like my dick's hard as fuck. What
And
you
you
Chop
just
cocaine
après ça,
with
you
it.
just
yeah,
like
Go
you
on
don't- you
about
don't
your day.
masturbate
Oui, oui.
Papillon.
in the same time or anything.
spread the legs. Cause she be trying to like close it,
Shit.
spread the legs
I mean,
open, push them back like this.
Shout
You know what I'm
out.
saying?
Yeah.
Work the forearms like that, and I'm just eating the vagina, and then she put her underneath
Wow.
and
Là,
eat
toi,
the
parce
ass.
que toi, tu me parles des histoires de troisième round. Parce que moi,
C'est ça! Mais
c'est ça.
en
Non,
vérité! En vérité!
Ça, c'est des histoires
En
de.
vérité.
Ça, c'est des histoires que, comme j'ai pas envie de troisième round, mais je suis encore sous ça.
Yo, Oh,
Puis là, je suis là à manger la bouboune. Là. Et puis là, je me masturbe
No,
en
I'm
même
not
temps.
beating my meat at all. No.
Non, mais c'est ça que tu me parles là.
No,
Yo,
I'm not beating my meat at all. She
Moi-
catches her nuts. She catches her nuts. Like even when she bent, she on her knees. Like she like all the way doing the little fucking like she like the turtle position. I have her by her waist. She holding down. I'm holding her down. Spreading the cheeks with my thumbs, and I'm eating the ass.
Wow.
For sure. Yeah.
Damn.
Ok, ben, ok.
Shout out to you, bro.
Shout out to you.
J'ai une
pour vrai.
question qui est dans le plan, mais j'ai une question
Ça.
parce que
Oui.
j'étais dans un party dimanche, dans un get-together.
Was I mentioned?
Non.
Alright, good.
Puis genre, c'était notre discussion, genre, est-ce que du sexe oral, ça compte dans le body count?
Nope.
Non.
Fait que toi, tu manges genre 50 vagins, est-ce
Non.
que 50 bouddhas,
It's
même?
a separate count.
Oh.
Ouais, pour de vrai.
C'est separate count.
It's a separate count.
This Renzel again?
Whoopsie.
Oh, sorry. This
oui.
Renzel again?
Pressed.
C'est juste pour dire aux hommes dehors, quand les hommes jaloux spécifiquement, quand
Les
vous
hommes
demandez,
jaloux.
ouais, spécifiquement, quand vous demandez avec combien de gars elle a couché, n'oubliez pas de demander combien de pénis elle a sucé. C'est important.
Ah, c'est ça.
100%. But either way, don't know.
Moi, je pense que c'est- moi, je pense que c'est ça le nombre le plus important.
Or, can I just say this? Mind your motherfucking business.
Also, underrated. Yes.
Mind your motherfucking business.
Yeah.
Her past, her past has nothing to do with you.
Shut up, nigga.
No, for real. No, real shit. How can you? Why are you going to inquire about a past you weren't a part of?
Tes partenaires passés par là, t'as reconsidéré.
No, but I'm just saying, like your
From
your body count's high, her body count's high. What are you worried about?
Guessing, right?
What?
Feminist?
No, not at all. No, not at all. I'm just saying it's none of your business. I don't give a fuck about a past that
it
I'm not a
is
part
your
of.
business.
So are you willing to divulge how many bodies
No,
you've
but-
been with? We just having technical difficulties everywhere today. God damn.
Filmé, ok?
God damn.
Growing pains, on t'a dit.
It's okay. We here. My camera working, so we good. I'm just saying, why, like, body count should not, like, if it's a
Ok, c'est quoi? Peut-être about the numbers. Ça, peut-être, ça, on va pas revenir là-dessus.
For
But
sure.
You should kind of know about her past parce que à la fin de la journée, you're here in Montreal.
her sexual history.
You know, yeah, that's what I mean.
But what about being in Montreal? What does that matter?
Parce que t'es là à Montréal, ok, tout le monde a des relations, c'est cela. Pas que ça va me déranger, mais j'aimerais pouvoir comprendre. I would like to know, you know, like
So if
who
it's not
you
gonna
fuck with before.
so if it's not gonna bother you, why do you need to know?
Non.
No, but I'm asking a question. If
No,
it's
but-
not gonna bother you, why do you need to know?
Justement, après,
There's a lot of things that don't bother me.
pas que ça pourrait me déranger,
Right.
mais ça pourrait ne pas me déranger aussi.
But, so then why do you need to know?
Ben justement, je veux savoir pour savoir
So
si
you
ça va me déranger ou pas.
He
Ça peut pas te déranger.
Did he hear what he just said?
Yep.
He wants to know.
Ok, Didi.
He wants to know
So
just
là,
to
Didi,
find out
ok.
if it would bother him
So
or not.
Didi, ok.
You nosy as hell.
Didi, ok. Là, tu commences à tailler avec un partenaire, ok. Et quand là, tu vois que ça prend un autre level, ça devient un petit peu plus sérieux.
Hey.
Et puis, monsieur a bail-bois, monsieur est good avec toi, tu comprends? Which is good, mais comme, là, tu commences à voir des petites qualités de lui que comme, sont un peu étranges, mais comme, ok, là, vous n'êtes pas rendu comme,
Étrange comment?
peu importe, des choses que toi, personnellement, t'aimes pas. ok?
That part's
Mais là-
not important.
Sachant dans son sexual history qu'avant ça, il était avec, pas pour downgrade, like the crustiest ratchet of Montreal.
What does that have to do with anything?
Oh,
Qui continue?
moi personnellement, même si, comme, voyant tes choix passer, je vais me questionner sur. Je vais pouvoir me questionner sur le futur de
Et
notre
là,
relation.
C'est pas vrai, ça.
j'ai fini avec ça parce
Moi,
que
personnellement,
ça n'a
oui.
aucun rapport.
Listen,
c'est
only
moi.
sexual question you need to ask your partner from your
Mais fais
past.
pas-
Do you have herpes? Do you have AIDS?
Même là.
No? Okay, let's go get tested. You're clean? We're good.
Il y a des
What more do you need to know?
Il y a des qualités de
Mais
partenaire
ça,
que je.
il a upgrade.
What do
Ce
you
qu'il a
need?
fait dans le passé, c'est dans le passé.
What do you
Non,
need
mais
to
je peux
know?
comprendre, genre, c'est peut-être pas nécessairement
C'est
la
vrai que ça
qualité
me fait-
du pénis, mais plus genre comme, est-ce que le gars il est fou, genre, il va venir, genre, cogner chez toi le matin, genre.
That's okay, fine. But we're not talking about that. We're talking about sexual. How many people you've been with? What does that matter?
Body count, je m'en fous. Je veux savoir combien.
Qui? Non, moi, je sais ça.
Body count, je préfère savoir qui.
So you date a girl that's been with
je
300
préfère
people?
savoir.
Oh!
On va pas parler de body count.
Oui.
C'est le sujet le plus trash
Si,
de l'histoire
But
de
this is what I'm saying. It shouldn't matter. It
Coco, arrête.
shouldn't matter. Body count.
justement.
Listen, body
C'est
count.
ça, là,
encore.
qui wife solide en plus.
Who
en
gives
tout
a
cas.
fuck? Body
Nobody
count should
cares.
not matter. It doesn't
It
matter.
doesn't.
Next question. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have to date a funny girl?
Nah.
Girls are not funny.
Sure.
Oh!
Listen, the thoughts and opinions of the podcast do not of Barney do not reflect everyone else on the podcast. Okay. No. Do I need to date a funny girl? No, I don't. But it would be nice. Someone who could make me laugh. You know what I mean?
But
Just
like
genuinely.
funny, but not a stand-up.
No, yeah, she could just be a funny person. Because listen, being funny and doing stand up is
Two different things.
it's not. I wouldn't say too different, but like there's many funny people that can't do stand up, right? Like I thought of myself as that person for the longest
Yeah.
time. Like I was like, I've always been that funny nigga in the group, but then people were like, you should try stand up. Like, nigga, shut up. And then I did it to prove somebody that I wasn't a stand up comedian. Now I have.
Là, tu vois, j'ai eu
Look at
la
us.
même expérience.
at us.
J'ai eu la même expérience que lui, mais moi, ça a moins bien marché.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mais il faut essayer. C'est la preuve qu'il faut essayer.
Practice
Yeah.
make perfect, though.
But this is what I'm saying. So, do I need? No, I mean, I would like to have a funny girl or girl. Like, if we could have inside jokes that make each other laugh, great. But I don't need someone that needs to be on stage.
Mais tu
funny.
peux, tant que t'as une fille avec qui tu as du fun, tu comprends? Like,
That's it.
c'est vraiment relatif.
Yeah.
C'est le sens de l'humour que je pense qui est important.
Yeah.
Ouais, non.
Somebody that can get a joke.
Yeah, she don't need to be funny to everybody.
Exactement.
We just need to be laugh.
As long as you guys have
yeah.
your vibe. That
We need to laugh. Yeah, that's it. Bro, I'm getting drunk. This Haitian rum is no joke.
OK.
Shout out.
Prochaine question. Est-ce que des fois, il faut outrepasser le corniness de quelqu'un pour découvrir quelqu'un de merveilleux?
Where's the,
Think about that one.
How
Mais
corny?
perso,
Like,
exactement.
how corny? Like,
I don't know. Un
quel
peu
genre de
corny, mais
situation, genre?
corny, c'est tough.
that is tough. But like, there's like, what's the case? But there's such a line. What's the line between corny and cute?
Exactly. Exactly. Exactly.
Like, what's the line between corny?
What's
and
corny? What's corny?
cute? Corny to me. Oh shit.
Corny depends if you think the person is cute, though. Non, tu sais pourquoi? OK, laisse-moi te dire, OK? Je me rappelle plus j'étais où. Donc, tu sais, genre, j'ai des folies, je veux dire, sur Instagram que, genre, à soir, je vais frencher, genre. Fait que là, une fille m'a dit, t'as-tu frenché à soir? J'ai fait, non, t'étais pas là.
Ça, c'est pas corny.
That's
Attends,
corny
non,
as fuck.
mais
That's
elle
corny
a
as fuck.
dit,
That's
she
corny
made
as
it,
hell.
she made it a point to tell me that it was so corny
100%.
that I shouldn't say it to
That you
someone
shouldn't
else.
say it.
No, the thing is that if she was into him, she would have said that's cute.
Ouais.
Exactly.
But because she's not into him, she said it's corny.
Actually, it might be the opposite because she might be trying to do the whole "I don't want you to know that you're interested." I'm
Yeah,
interested.
then maybe that's the girls you're into. Normal
Okay.
girls.
All right. No more. All right. Big dick energy runs out once a question. All right. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. What's the fuck?
I mean, c'est vrai. A little corniness is cute, but it's like
Over the top.
when you feel like the person has corny,
You know what it is? Oh, I
corny
got it.
energy.
I got it. I got it.
Corny.
No, I got it. When the corniness is you trying to flex. That's corny. So, for example, if you over here, like you think going flexing money and buying bottles and doing all types of shit is gonna impress a girl,
You corny.
that's corny.
Ouais, mais it works.
On corny bitches. Oh,
On corny, yeah, no, from corny bitches for real.
I'm sorry.
Ouais.
You know what I'm saying? Nothing, no one of like substance. That shit's corny as hell. What you did,
Flashiness.
What you did
the
is like-
parler big. You know,
yeah.
it's like,
What you did on the corny Richter scale, that shit's like a 1. For real, no, for
Non,
real.
mais ouais.
For real. It's like a dad. It's equivalent to a
It's a
dad,
dad
joke.
joke,
It's a
yeah.
dad joke of flirting for
Mhm.
sure. But like going to a club and being like, "Yo, girl, I just bought this," putting it on Instagram, and you buy yourself. You spending all this money and you buy yourself sitting. Like that shit's corny as fuck, right? If that's what you gotta do, if that's what you
It's
gotta
only
do,
corny if you're not sitting at the table, bro.
no, it's not.
Wow.
It's
it's
not
corny
first
still.
of all.
No,
You're not
I
corny.
could tell if I'm at the club by myself. By the time I start spending, I'm not by myself anymore.
True.
So whomever's thinking this is not sitting at my table.
But if
So-
you,
No, but you
I
see what I'm
can
saying?
judge
Like,
the
that's like,
fuck out of
oh,
you
but
from
here's the
you'll be
the
like,
bar.
oh, that's corny.
Deed,
sitting
deed,
there drinking
deed,
your water.
deed,
Yep.
deed.
That's corny.
Hell yeah.
Dude, if the only reason why you're doing that is because that's the only way you can get company at the table, corny as hell. Because
Like,
I've
yes.
been broke. I've been broke. but I've still had a gang of people around me because I'm entertaining as fuck and I'm funny as fuck. That's what I'm saying. So.
Honnêtement, we should develop rules of coordinateness.
Hakim, il est pas modeste. Parce que Hakim, il est pas laid déjà à la base.
De base.
OK?
Ça, c'est vrai.
Fait qu'il fait style, I've been broke. But you ain't never been broke and ugly.
Pretty boy.
Broke, ugly, sans chasse. Avec un gros
Pick a
ventre.
struggle.
Avec un gros ventre.
Like, pick a struggle, go run with it.
That's, I
I'm
mean,
dead.
yo.
I appreciate the compliment, brother. Thank you so much. I'm drunk.
Okay, next question. Should the guy pick the venue for the first date?
100.
Non.
100.
C'est pourquoi?
Oui.
You tell us why, and I'll tell you why
Okay.
not.
Venue.
Like,
Comme la place.
Where are we
L'endroit.
going? Mais tu sais pourquoi? À chaque fois que tu piques une place, ta fille va dire
Pas vrai.
Go wait. You done?
yeah.
You ask a girl, she's expecting you to have a plan all at the gate.
I
Out
know.
the gate,
I
she's
know.
expecting you. So if you ask her where she's gonna be, it's gonna be, well, I don't know. I was hoping you were gonna say, well, I don't know what you'd like to eat. It's gonna be a back and forth for 20 minutes. I rather commit to something for the entire date. Activity, food, drinks after, a spot to drink after, and her hate all of it, rather than sit in the car and be like, yo, where we going? You know what I'm saying?
Ouais, mais c'est pas dans le choix que tu décides ça, c'est sûr. là.
I took a girl out. I went on a date about a month ago, right? No, about 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks, a month ago.
Must be nice.
Right? I went on a date. We did. I went axe throwing. We went axe throwing.
What?
Right? Then we went to all you could eat sushi, and then we went to drinks at over on Mount Royal. What's the spot on Mount Royal? Fitzroy.
That was the first date?
That was our first date.
Tabarnak. Ça, c'est 3 dates. Ça, honnêtement, c'est 3 dates.
Literally
Ça,
3 dates.
Ça, c'est honnêtement 3 dates.
That was the first date. That was the first date. That was the first date. Right? Axe throwing
I hate
was
niggas so bad.
trash.
C'est quoi Axe Throwing? Je
It's you take an
Lancer des
axe, you throw an
Ah,
axe
ok,
to a
yeah,
fucking
yeah.
wood.
Ah, c'est pas nice?
It was, oh my God. 15
You
minutes I was there, I wanted to leave.
the rage cage.
That's where, on the
That's what I
Byberry.
did. That's what I took.
That's where I went.
No,
But
mais-
we didn't do the rage shit. We just
you
did.
should have done the rage
I
thing.
mean, they didn't say that in the fucking website.
Okay, but why was it trash?
Cause it was like playing darts, but with an axe. Like it was, like
c'est
she
pas-
couldn't hit it. It was dope. And then the instructors saw her, and they just kept trying to be like, they're using the stage next to us to practice. Like, nigga, you have all that over there. Like, why you like? I see you. See, we couldn't even get a discount because she was pretty. You know what I'm saying? So it was like, it was I hated it. She loved it. I hated it.
Throwing a case that was trash. Then
Then we went to all you can eat sushi. So we just like, what are you trying to eat? And I say, I've been craving
Attends, mais c'est
sushi.
où ça?
Where did we go? We went to
Non,
Axe
ça,
Throwing.
ça, c'est dans le village.
Yeah, right by on the Emirates.
Ouais.
Oh no, it's Atatacan now because they changed that. I used to live on that
Okay.
street. And then we went to over on it's corner of Saint Denis and Sherbrooke.
Ah, ok, c'est pas si loin.
Yeah, so it's like not far. It was right there. So we went to all you can eat. She's like, "What are we gonna eat?" I was like, "I've been craving sushi for." I gave her that. Like, I had a plan, but I gave her that out if she
You
wasn't
love,
feeling it.
yeah.
Right. So I was like, "Sushi." Oh, I love sushi. Bet. So we're gonna rock with sushi. Right. So we had the sushi, and then I was like, "Okay." I was thinking we're not far from the spot I used to go to, Fitzroy.
Yeah.
If you want to go grab a couple of drinks, so we went there, and they have like a pool table, so we could go do that.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm just trying to think of
How
like.
much time with this?
C'était genre un bon
It was a
5
bit.
heures, là.
It was a bit.
Un bon 5 heures.
It was a bit of time. It was a bit of time. But no, anyway, so we went, so we did all that.
Shout out.
I mean, I'm like, listen, when I date, I date.
Exactly.
4 bills later. Yeah.
4 bills later.
It was a 400. To be honest with you, the whole night.
bills
No, the whole
It's a
night,
$200 date minimum.
give or take.
No, he's like,
Ah, mais ça,
Give or
c'est
take.
trop.
Two some.
Ça, c'est trop pour de...
Like
For
Two
first
some-
date?
Not really. No, not
For
really.
first date?
That's not too
When's the
much.
last time you spoke to her?
Yesterday.
Combien c'est all you can eat sushi là? $40 par
40
personne.
It was with tip 70.
Okay.
So $35 per person plus tax?
Yeah.
Like, well, yeah, but it was 70 with the tax and the tip. So it was like
30.
So then
25
then
something?
drinks there? No drinks there?
we brought wine. I bought wine.
So what? $30.
That's
Okay,
another.
$20-something. So
Nigga, the wine
$100
was
for
like
that
fucking
part.
50
Then
about the
Fitzroy, how many
It
drinks at
racks up.
Fitzroy?
We had 3 rounds, so 6 drinks.
So 6 drinks, $6,
so it's-
$10 each, $60.
so $60,
and then
yeah.
$60.
Yeah.
And then what else? Axe throwing.
And the
That's
axe
another
throwing.
Axe throwing was like
$60.
$60.
For both?
That's almost $300. That's
Yeah.
$300 past.
Yeah, it was.
Et après ça, vous êtes
For-
allé
for-
prendre des drinks.
Tu sais, Hakim, why? Hey, I just want to know.
Moi, je dépense pas tout ça.
Je veux que les gens sachent à la maison, moi, j'ai commencé 2020 the right way. The only way there is to start 2020.
Zero money.
C'est pas ça. Une femme est rentrée dans mes DM, elle dit, I want to take you on a date.
De base.
So I was
paying.
I was taken on a date
You were
yesterday.
I was waiting for
I
this.
was taken
I was
on
waiting
a
for this.
date
I was waiting for this. I was waiting for this.
Non, tu vois, je veux dire, j'ai commencé.
I was
C'est pas
waiting
une
for
belle façon de commencer 2020.
Aïe,
Tell him what you
aïe,
did. Tell him what you did. Tell him what you did.
do? C'est vrai, j'avais
Well,
pas eu le feedback.
Voilà, elle m'a demandé ce que je voulais faire. Which is interesting for moi, Kim, parce qu'elle m'a dit qu'est-ce que je veux faire. Ah,
But you're not talking.
Keep it
Listen,
light.
but this is a different breed you're talking about. Listen, for the folks at home, I know
You
who
don't
he's
have
talking
to,
about.
exactly.
no, you
We ain't
don't-
gonna
you
divulge
don't
no
have
names,
to.
but-
You don't have to.
Okay,
You're
go.
doing this right now.
Okay, go.
No, you go ahead. Yeah, but you don't have to.
But this is a different
Kelly's.
person. This is a different female. This is a different type of female. Go ahead.
Shout
That's all I
out.
gotta say.
Why do people need to know you know the female?
I'm just saying it's a different type of female.
Anyways.
Go ahead.
Anyways, donc elle me dit trop machin, je dis bowling or whatever, non, pool or whatever. Tu sais, c'est un truc qui est non, comme tu peux closer ça vite, ça dérange
Ouais,
personne
ouais,
trop
yeah,
trop,
yeah,
yeah.
tu sais, truc machin. Finalement, on était à jouer au ping-pong, mais au même endroit, mais c'est des tables de ping-pong. On a joué au ping-pong,
ok.
drinking alcohol,
C'était où?
eating, on parle. Au forum, à MC.
Ah, ok, ouais.
Yeah.
Oh, they have ping pong.
Puis, ouais, c'est nouveau.
Yeah, they have the
c'est
arcade.
nouveau.
No, they have the arcade.
No, but they have ping-pong
but
now.
ping pong.
Ils ont ping-pong.
They never had
now.
that. They have that for a minute.
No, anyways, I don't, you know. So so that was cool. On a fait ça pour quelques heures, puis c'était cool.
Non, c'est supposé.
Yeah, comme il n'y a pas eu les 3 autres dates après.
Non?
Non,
I
mais
still
parce
did
que-
4-5 hours. I still did 4-5
Non,
hours.
mais
Yeah,
c'est
for
ça,
sure.
Parce que t'es resté à la même place.
Oui,
Yeah.
mais ça, c'est un achat
Sure.
d'Audi, frère. C'est-à-dire, moi, je contrôlais les éléments. Tu vois ce que je veux dire?
But I mean, I don't. But, see, but for me, it was. But it's not a problem. Like,
Mais ça revient au même un peu.
Exactly.
I wanted to go- I wanted
T'as fait
to-
la même chose, mais à différentes
I
fois.
did the same thing. Like I just.
If
It
it
ended up being
wasn't
more
fun
steps.
after eating, you wouldn't have won.
No, but
drinks.
here,
Are
it
you still
wasn't
talking to the girl?
Yeah, but it wasn't fun for me.
more.
We had like our
But
best
the interactions.
We had a good time because we were like both mutually enjoying the fact that like roasting the fact that this activity
ask you
is
something?
garbage. What's up?
Did you fuck that night?
That night, no, but I fucked her before.
Ah.
I took her on a date. Like,
Whoa.
Okay,
Plot
okay,
twist.
okay. You see,
Tout ça après avoir fuck is a plot
Yeah.
twist.
Yeah, but
You like her,
that's
like
the
her.
thing. That's the thing.
You like her, like her.
you know, we get some,
That's the thing. Yeah.
yeah, we went out. So we
Felt French first.
the first time we hung out. Listen, we were
You
supposed to
like
go
her,
out.
like her.
Listen, man.
Because it's not an exact first date because you've seen her before.
No, it's not. But it's
See what
our
I mean?
first time we went
Yeah,
out, got
okay.
dressed up.
Did like
But we're
dressed
talking
up
about-
activities.
Yeah, like I wore a shirt. I wore a nice shirt, some soft jeans. You know what I'm saying? Some
Soft
nice shoes.
jeans.
Yeah, like we
out.
did plan the whole event.
Out, man.
Planning a plan event, nigga. Like the
Oh,
fuck. The first time we hung out, we were supposed to go out, but it was the first snowstorm we had. Right, so she's like, "Do you want to come over to my place?" I said, "I'll pull up." So I went. So I'm like, "What do you need me to bring?" She's like, "I don't have Jameson." I said, "Okay, cool. I'll stop and get a bottle of Jameson." So I stopped, went over, bought a bottle of
That kinda
Jameson.
nigga.
Stop it. We went over. We had drinks. We were dancing, having a good time, playing music. It was great. She was drinking Ciroc. I was drinking Jameson. It was great. We coalesced. And we
Coalesced?
that's like that word.
Is that even a word?
It is. Google it. We coalesced and it was great, right? We did our thing. And then boom, we kept talking and then I went over again. We coalesced again. You know what I mean? And she's like, "Listen, we need to start this over because we skipped some steps." I said, "You're right."
Shit.
Word. Shout out to
I
her.
said, "You're absolutely right."
Put her foot down.
I said, "You're on
That shit
one."
does not
gem,
work
though.
usually.
I said,
Gem,
"You're
though.
100% right."
She's a
Let's
gem.
start over. Hi, my
That's
name
because
is
you
Akeem.
liked her, or else you just would have stopped answering.
for
Oh, 100%. 100%.
The best.
So I said, "You know what? I'm going to plan a date.
But là,
Be ready."
That's why it was so extra.
I said,
This
I
time.
said, I said, this Saturday, be ready. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, be ready. Be here for 6. Bet we met up. We went and did everything we
Elle
did.
l'a cherché?
Huh?
You have a car?
Nigga, mind your business. So, yo.
no, but after knowing all of
I got an
this,
Uber app, nigga. Fuck you.
After knowing all of this,
Right.
it does make sense, you know. It's not an exact first date. Like you already had plans for her. You already
It's
like
just
ça, c'est
you ready
ça.
for
It's
me,
a good
and you
deal.
already
T'as just
fell
corrigé.
for
No,
her.
Just
but you know,
correct.
but
You already-
even
so
but
this
even
is
when
what-
you just meet a person before you smash, I don't think
you would've
$200 is that
Nah, that's too
crazy.
much. That's too much.
I don't think that's that extreme.
Chacun
Mais,
ses
okay,
poches, non pas
mais
que
that's-
watch.
that's the
No,
thing.
but for real, I don't think
Chacun
that's
ses poches.
extreme.
Mais that's the thing. You're dating, okay?
Damn, y'all made me me fucking killing rings. I'm burning calories yelling at y'all.
Yeah. But you're dating, like, c'est ce que tu fais, like, you're single, but you're just dating. So, the first girl doesn't work. The second girl doesn't work.
Of course.
Obviously, you could do 5 girls in a month.
That's $1,000 you just
$1,000 right
of
now.
course, of course.
Tu comprends?
Yeah.
So là, tu me dis que tu travailles pour que ton paycheck
Passe dans des femmes.
Tu comprends?
For sure, I get it.
That's what I mean.
Nah, B.
Like,
But I
this is nice.
Yeah, but
and
Barn.
everything, because you already had a base with her. T'avais déjà
For
quelque
sure.
chose built up with her, you know?
For
but
sure.
if it's only a girl that you're going out with for the first time, you're not gonna spend $200.
I agree.
Just
I agree
like
with
that. Si vraiment t'as pas un réel intérêt dans elle, que tu
Ouais,
vois
c'est
des
ça.
plans futurs.
I agree with that. I agree with that. But my thing is though, like I get what you're saying. Not everybody like is willing or like able to do that. I'm just saying for me,
You would have done it for a girl that, like, comme ça que t'aurais pas
a standard
for the-
date. I don't know if I would. But I'm just saying, like, cause like for me, I just planned the activity without even applying the price in my head. Right? I just went to the shit and whatever the price was at the end of the day,
Shout out.
I just did
Shout
it.
out pour de vrai.
Okay,
I'm
next-
tired of
next
talking
question.
about that
Next
parce que
question.
ça me rend
So-
triste. Est-ce que le dick print, c'est l'équivalent du sundress?
Shit.
Non. C'est la question, ça aurait été mieux si c'était le jogging gris et l'équivalent du sundress.
Ouais, c'est ça qu'elle veut dire, je pense.
Ouais, c'est ça.
La personne est...
I'm drunk.
I feel like this is a question more for girls, mais
So you answered it.
What is it about the sundress?
parce que
'Cause the sundress shows off the ass.
Yeah.
When it gets caught between the booty cheeks?
Exactly. It gets caught between-
Amen.
I didn't even think that's what people looked at. Moi, je pensais que les gens
What the
regardaient
fuck do you think people? What do you think girls wearing sundresses
En
for?
dessous?
La silhouette du vagin quand tu regardes au soleil, au-delà.
soleil.
Ah, non.
C'est la seule chose pour moi.
Hey, for the
C'est
people
la,
at
le
home,
sundress,
for the
that's the
people-
only thing for me.
Commando dans un sundress.
Yo,
Ah,
for the
mon
people at
chum, t'as
home.
jamais été capable de dessiner un vagin comme ça, mon chum?
Yo, for the people at home, Renzel is fucking abstract.
Lol.
Track.
This nigga's abstract as fuck, nigga. I'm over here looking. I'm still in 2015. I'm still looking at ass. Renzel's like, yo, the way the sun hits
That
the
nigga's in
vagina, and you see the
2045.
shadow.
It's a sundress, they said.
So when it's 3 o'clock, right, and she's walking, and
Bro, when the
hits
sun's right
just
about to set, it gets that right angle, it hits the just, and then the vagina just reflects on the flow.
It's when you can see the sun in the horizon.
Through her legs.
Oh my God, no! I'm
When
looking
you
at
can see
booty
that.
cheeks.
So basically,
Cheeks.
the sun lights up the in between of the. Mais ça c'est le truc de tous les gars. Je sais que Jules c'est un cochon. Je sais que lui savait. Je sais que lui
Je
savait.
pense que c'est
Hakim,
beaucoup
il est
plus
pas
facile de
God.
trouver les fesses.
Ben oui.
100% is for the
Non,
cheeks.
c'est 20-20 là.
Ouais, mais c'est parce qu'il faut que tu sois assis,
les
tu sois au parc
pareil.
Mont-Royal, puis que genre,
Que tu
there's a
people watching,
sunset,
ouais.
puis que
Nah,
genre,
nigga, Renzo
toi t'es
got-
assis dans le gazon, t'es là, tu regardes les femmes, puis tout d'un coup, c'est genre...
Il y a une qui arrive.
Nah, nigga, Renzel got glasses. That's why you can see that shit. Nah, I can't. I'm looking at the booty. Let me see the sundress get caught between the booty cheeks. That's what I'm looking at.
de base.
Booty cheek.
That's it.
And on regarde pas vraiment vos prints parce que
That's a lie.
vous êtes rares à en avoir.
Moi, je sens,
And wow.
chaque fois que je mets un jogging gris, je me sens violenté.
But you still wearing them though.
Mais ça dépend.
But he's still wearing them though.
En tout cas,
But you still wearing them though.
Barney.
Yo, that ain't left Barney's
Fuck,
wardrobe.
Tu portes quoi comme
jogging
sous-vêtement?
gris, pantalon beige,
Tu portes quoi comme sous-vêtement? Boxer?
boxer.
Ouais, c'est
For
pour
sure,
ça.
that's why I wear briefs.
C'est ça, you gotta
Boxer
keep it.
briefs.
You gotta pick
Pourquoi
it.
je-
You
que je
gotta,
mette des caleçons?
wrap it up.
Un caleçon.
I
Yo,
wear
moi
a
je porte des
boxer.
caleçons, là,
I'm
normal.
not
de
victim
boxer briefs,
blaming.
nigga.
Moi je porte
pas,
moi je porte des
parce
slips.
que-
Moi je porte des
Je
slips.
peux
Bon.
pas parce que je end up que ma graine fait clap sur le côté tout
Ben
le temps.
moi aussi, là, mais...
là, c'est wack, je suis toujours
Moi j'aime mieux ça.
arrangé.
Moi j'aime mieux
So
ça.
what? You just want your? So what? You gonna walk around with your shit just swinging?
He just wants us to know his dick big.
Même en dormant, je peux pas dormir en boxer
Yo, yo, yo.
sans boxer parce que c'est
I sleep naked.
Ben moi aussi.
ça fait flap flap.
Mais yo,
Ça
ça
fait
fait...
But when you
No.
walk, but nigga, when you walk, what's it doing?
Ben pas si j'ai un boxer, c'est
Mais
tight
c'est
sur moi.
ça. mais c'est
C'est
ça.
quoi?
No, no,
Si,
no.
mais
Okay,
si
Non,
j'ai-
oui, non, je suis d'accord.
I need.
When you have a
I don't.
slip-
Boxers to me are the loose joints.
The loose joint,
The
yeah.
shorts. The shorts under the
Moi j'ai
shorts.
besoin de
Non,
caleçons,
même-
normal.
Boxer briefs.
Boxer
Mais
briefs.
je porte
Des
le boxer
petits-
tight là. le
I wear them
shit.
shits with
Les
the
affaires
boxers,
tight,
but there's
là.
the pocket.
Yeah.
Yeah,
My
but
shit-
you wear boxer briefs.
Yeah.
You both wear boxer briefs.
Right.
Oh.
Moi ça me fait penser, là...
It's just the fact,
It's just loose, nigga.
which I do too.
Shut up, Renzel.
The ladies love it, though.
Oh my God.
Attends, mais ça fait penser.
Next question.
Ça fait
Non, mais
penser.
attends.
Ça fait
Ah,
penser.
c'est quoi, Didi? C'est après, c'est que Didi. Ouais, vas-y, vas-y.
Moi, ça fait penser, OK, quand j'allais au church.
Oh boy.
Des fois, je pognais les caleçons de mon père parce que, genre, mais ils étaient tout le temps trop grosses. Fait que j'avais tout le temps une érection qui sortait. Fait que, genre,
You getting erections at church?
I was 14, OK?
Nigga, what about the Lord? Are they
good to
What about the Lord?
In your dad's underwear?
What were they talking about?
Definitely going to hell.
Nigga, they talking about Mary Magdalene? What the fuck is wrong with you, nigga?
Et puis genre, je me levais genre pour une chanson. Puis genre, j'étais comme, je mettais mes mains dans mes poches pour genre, essayer de régler mon érection.
Oh, you're gross, nigga. Oh.
En tout
In
cas.
church getting his dick hard?
Next question.
What the fuck are you doing in Sunday
oui,
school?
Renzel.
Non, mais en passant, l'affaire, c'est que Didier ne voulait pas admettre, là. Mais c'est vrai que les filles, elles ont des chaleurs, là, aussi, par rapport à ces choses-là. Tu vois, je veux dire, la vérité, là, la vérité. Pour ceux qui ont un pénis...
T'as vu le fake de baby pic?
De quoi?
Ouais, mais that's an actual dick. Je vais pas aller regarder à travers ton pantalon pour voir le print, là.
Non, mais c'est pas ça. C'est comme si t'es assez choyé comme homme pour avoir un pénis au repos qui vaut la peine
I
de
saw that shit,
t'exposer.
nigga, 5'8".
Tu vois, je veux dire, ce que c'est en vrai, c'est l'équivalent d'un beau cleavage de sein. C'est ça le vrai équivalent d'un dick print qui vaut
dépend.
son pesant d'or.
Il y a des gars qui, des fois, ils portent le pantalon trop serré, puis comme, tu vois que le dick est
C'est plus important. Parce que
il
rendu
est
là, tu
tellement
regardais
tight,
déjà.
On dirait quasiment un vagina.
Non, mais rendu là, tu regardais déjà, Didi.
Ouais, mais ça
Non, mais
cause
tu
que
comprends
ton
ce que je
pantalon
veux
te
dire?
fit pas bien.
Oui, mais tu regardais. Imagine, tu regardais déjà. Moi, je regardais pas. Ce dont tu parles là, j'en ai jamais vu, moi. T'as
Ok,
déjà vu,
peut-être.
toi? Un
Ouais.
pantalon tellement serré, là, the penis look like
When
a
you see the
vagina.
guys, it's like his penis is trying
I
to
don't be
breathe.
looking. Oh, RPW. RPW. Every time this nigga on stage.
C'est quoi, pour le vrai, Renzel en a parlé plusieurs fois en plus. C'est comme j'ai jamais remarqué ce que Renzel en parle.
RPW.
Mais ok.
Shout out,
Shout out to RPW.
And your little ass dick.
Autumn.
And your little ass dick.
He's banned from wearing gray
He's
jumpsuits.
Green-
never like
Yeah.
gray, black, pink, whatever color. Nigga, buy some fucking jeans or some corduroys. I
Next
don't give a
question.
fuck.
C'était supposé être un featuring Hakim, mais ça va être featuring Bad Boys, man.
C'est un peu
I love RPW. That's my guy. We take shots at each other all the time. That's why I'm gonna talk about your little ass dick.
And he shouts back. He fights back.
I know. That's why I
Okay,
love him.
This one is a quick one.
What's up?
Okay, répondez tous si vous voulez. If you could sleep with a celebrity, who would it be?
Fuck.
Let me think about mine.
I gotta think about that.
Amber Rose.
What? Why?
Amber Rose, pourquoi pour de vrai?
You might as well say Cat
You trying to
Stacks.
see what that tastes like?
Oh, ouais, for sure.
Oh God. Any celebrity?
Ruben Loftus-Cheek. C'est
Did
le
he-
seul light skin.
Is that the one? Oh, I'm about to say, is that the one that won American Idol?
No, he's a soccer player. He's a beautiful. Look it.
Okay.
He's beautiful.
Any celebrity? Fuck.
Miss Haiti.
Miss Haiti. Okay. Barney,
C'est quoi, là?
if you could sleep with a celebrity, who would it be? Pourquoi les gars savent comme s'ils savent pas?
Any
c'est qui?
celebrity?
Any.
That's a hard
C'est parce qu'il y
question.
en a trop, genre.
Mais
il y
là,
en
c'est
a-
une.
T'en as juste une à choisir. parmi
Comme
nous
ça,
deux.
off the top, celle qui
And
vient.
I fuck once and that's it. That's a dub after that.
It doesn't specify. If you could sleep with her, period.
Sierra.
Renzel est passé à côté.
Sierra.
Body party?
I'm shocked.
Body party?
Body party is a good
Rihanna.
song.
Rihanna.
Rihanna.
Of course you'd say Rihanna.
Ciara, ben.
What does that mean?
Sierra was a better fuck than Rihanna.
Pas Sierra. Pas Sierra. Pas
C'est quoi?
Not Sierra.
C'est
No.
quoi?
Ciara.
Ciara, là?
Nah.
Ciara?
Body party?
Ciara?
Body
C'est quoi?
party?
Hey,
she looks
t'as perdu
Ride?
beaucoup de points
Ride?
aujourd'hui. T'as perdu beaucoup de points aujourd'hui.
Ciara.
Ciara?
And she went to
Ciara, everyone used to think she was a man, Ciara?
We're past this.
We're past that shit.
No,
past this.
I'm
Shut
just
up. She
saying,
had
nobody
kids. She
ever
had two
thought
kids.
nobody ever
Rihanna
thought
for real.
Rihanna thought
What's Rihanna?
was a man.
What has
S'il y a
Rihanna
pas
done in
de
the music? But what has Rihanna done in the music video?
Son thickness.
Non mais tu sais
C'est
la
ça.
même,
Elle a-
tu sais là, je veux dire, tu sais le
work,
truc
work, work.
le truc de savoir que puis Jude va être d'accord.
Or
parce
Jill
que tu sais
Scott.
déjà qu'une fille est folle. Tu vois ce que je veux dire? Non, qu'une fille est folle, qu'une fille est crazy.
Yeah.
Rihanna
for sure.
est crazy.
Dans ses
Rihanna,
yeux,
elle
dans ses
donne
yeux.
elle donne le best sex, like half
T'avais vu les
asleep.
photos that she was like cursing out her man, genre
And then
comme...
kissing him?
Rihanna?
Yeah,
That
comme,
was
it was
2
like,
days
c'était
difference.
comme
They
ça.
just made it look
Oui.
like it was the...
Non, j'ai pas vu.
C'était comme des photos, tu voyais comme si they were cursing each other, puis après ça, lui s'est calmé, puis tu voyais comme si he was
First,
like,
no. I'm going either with
Jill Scott
Ciara
is a good
or Jill
choice.
Scott.
You like big girls?
Yeah, I'm an equal opportunist.
He's an equal
Pourquoi t'as
Barney?
curve mon ami d'abord?
Pour le reste, comme.
So, yo, no, this has been great. Thank you for listening. You're right, damn. Who was your friend? Show me. Tell me after the podcast.
Après, off mic.
After, yeah, off mic.
Ok, Barney, c'est long.
Pour le reste, j'ai pas trouvé personne.
Vague sur
J'ai vu
toi.
toutes les autres.
This nigga went on
C'est quoi, I'm
Instagram
gonna go
trying
with
to
Jill
find
Scott as well.
Jill Scott. Okay, Barney.
Well, I really don't mind big girls.
Ok, une autre quick one, people. Quick. Sex with the lights on or off?
Flickering.
What?
Non.
That's some epilepsy shit.
Hey, if she has epilepsy, that nigga gonna be fire.
Like,
Si toi t'as les pieds.
Yo, bro, imagine her on top having a seizure. Nigga, imagine her on top having a seizure. What?
t'es malade, ce gars.
Nah, B. Not that seizure, please.
Yeah. And she's just.
Je fais pas juste ses
Bro,
je fais pas juste ses jambes shaker, je fais tout son corps
Facts.
shaker.
And then she start foaming out the mouth and she suck your dick after what, nigga? Stop playing with me.
Ouais, de
With
base.
with all the cute.
All that.
Oh, t'es
All
dégueulasse,
that.
man. T'es
What you
dégueulasse.
Mais lights on. Lights on.
Lights on.
Lumière
Lights
tamisée.
You're confident.
Lumière tamisée.
Either or. I
Non,
really don't
ouais.
care.
Puis en plus,
Yeah,
ok,
ouais.
As long as you're
si
there.
t'as un miroir proche, ok, tu te regardes.
Miroir is elite.
Tu fais le eye
Fuck
contact
le
dans le miroir, mon gars.
Ouh, miroir.
Yo, mirror, when you ever in doggy style and you pull the hair back and she's watching.
De base.
Ooh,
De
stop
base.
playing.
Vous faites le eye contact dans le miroir, mon gars.
Stop
Ouais,
playing.
shout
Stop
out.
playing.
Yes.
Comment t'es supposé savoir qu'elle a l'air presseuse?
And she got bumps.
Light? The light? Ouais, mais ça, c'est... En tout cas, bon, on va pas avoir un sex ed course, là, mais...
I'm rocking with flickering still.
Flickering just
Yeah.
seems very bad.
Mais c'est quoi la fréquence du flicker?
I'm just having my homeboy just there, just
You're a homeboy, dude!
Somebody gonna be there to support, nigga. Just like that.
Okay, attends. Continue. Do you recycle pussy
Of course.
What's recycling pussy?
going back to somebody you already fucked?
Of course.
Yeah, why
Who
not?
doesn't?
Who doesn't? I don't know.
Moi,
Stop
moi, je fais
it.
ça, moi, je fais ça.
Stop
Okay,
it. Whoa,
follow up.
no. Time out.
Faites-le.
What? How many times do you fuck before it's a wrap?
Depends.
Because if you're not recycling, that means you have to fuck one person consistently.
Non, mais
till you decide it's a wrap.
recycling, genre, c'est comme...
Recycling is when you fuck her in the winter, go a couple months after, and then you fuck
Exactly.
her. You try to bring her
Moi,
back.
je fais plus ça. Moi, je fais pas ça.
At
Why
all?
not?
Non.
Nah, I'm fucking. I'm trying to listen. If you willing,
Tu sais.
I'm here for it. Unless you crazy. Then I'm
Ok,
not
c'est
with
ça.
Exactly,
So,
yeah.
comment contacter a pussy qui t'a blocked? You
Ben,
want to recycle, but
you
she
don't.
blocked you.
it. Nah,
don't.
you just take that L to the chin.
Ah ouais?
You take that L to the chin.
T'essaies pas de l'envoyer un email,
Nah.
quelque chose?
No email. Ok, attends. J'ai fait un PSA pour la population des autres femmes out there. Si un gars vous a bloqué sur Facebook, Instagram, Twitter,
All the socials.
WhatsApp,
Twitter, mais ouais.
tout.
She said, "What's up?"
Snapchat.
On va pas le email.
Le temps, exactement. Le temps de process quand tu décides d'ouvrir ton email, là, that's it. Comme, stop it there.
Your
Dès que
shit's
t'as
going
écrit le
straight to
email,
spam.
stop it right there.
Vice versa. Garçon, messieurs.
garçons surtout, là.
Non, messieurs. Parce que je vois la sauce sur Twitter, le bloc est rapide pour les mesdames.
Yo.
Ok.
Bro, honestly, if you if she
Surtout moi cette semaine.
Prends ton
Ah,
L.
il a
aïe, aïe.
rendu le
No.
email, là,
no, but
t'es
on
allé
some real
trop loin.
shit, no bullshit. If a girl goes through all that to not talk to you and you still try to send her an email, you deserve the cops called on you. No, for real, bro. That's a lot of bro. That's like
Literally.
yo. Didi just named 5 forms of contact, and you
Yeah.
still want to try,
Yeah,
nigga?
yeah.
She don't want to talk to you.
Et
You deserve to be in jail for at least the winter time.
même si, ok,
Like,
et
nigga,
même si, ok, sur Facebook, il t'a pas bloqué, c'est parce qu'il a oublié. ok?
because nobody thinks about Facebook.
Exactly.
Nobody thinks about
Exact.
Facebook. You're right.
Comme, ayez un peu d'orgueil, ayez un peu d'ego.
Yo.
Même
Juste
pas,
un
c'est même pas
minimum.
d'ego, c'est de
Un
l'amour de
minimum.
soi. C'est
Yeah.
juste de l'amour de
mais
soi.
l'ego,
Amour
c'est de l'amour propre.
Mais
Overboard, mais quand
c'est
même.
comme...
Tu comprends? Parce que
Il veut clairement
ça, c'est
pas
sans
recevoir
honte.
de contact.
Ça,
base.
c'est
Sans
sans
honte.
She don't want to talk.
T'as fini de te faire
Can we just
bloquer,
take
là,
a
tu
moment?
passes par-dessus
Can we
les
just
blocs.
take a moment? One
Bloquez pas
second.
le gars juste parce que you don't want to fuck him anymore. Just
Can we-
stop fucking
Can we
him.
just take a moment? Cause I've been looking at your arms. You've been in a Carnal Fitness or what?
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
Aïe, aïe.
You been out here just working on them guns, girl.
aïe.
I'm just saying, you out here doing arm, you doing curls.
La
every
force
day.
dans la masturbation.
I don't fight. I am very gentle.
Le stroke est...
But either-
Le choc est real.
But no, if she has to go through all that to not talk to you, nigga, and you still try,
De base.
C'est non.
you need to be on timeout. You need to be detention.
Time out.
Time
Va
out,
dans le coin.
Il
Va
faut
dans le
bloquer
coin.
partout. That's the time
dans-
out.
No, but like the cops, like you need a restraining order, nigga. Like that's some real shit, like for real.
Okay.
Like, what's the next
bon, ben,
question?
speaking of police, should someone do a background check, police or Facebook IG check on a new person that they're dating?
First of all, timeout. We're not gonna say a police background check and Facebook ID check is the
how
same
it's
shit.
not the same.
That's too, nigga. That's
Let's
too.
not
different.
act like some of us don't have friends that work in the police.
But understand, but we have some
Dans
friends who
contact là,
think,
Seigneur.
but we do have friends who
Give me
think
the
they work in the
contact.
police.
Give me le contact, mais...
Like every girl got a crazy ass friend that will do a face
That's
run,
on that
will do the
CSI
same
shit, yo.
shit. But like, let's not say that's the same
Non, mais je
shit.
crois que comme...
Background check is what we're checking.
Okay.
Mais pas police, parce que police,
pas
c'est comme...
police.
on s'entend,
That's
c'est
extreme.
extreme.
That's
Background
Yo,
check.
ça, c'est des bails que tu vas dire à la
credit
personne,
score
sinon
aussi.
tu dois savoir que
Credit
la
score?
personne est
Non.
Oh, credit score too.
For sure, no. I'm all about check your credit score. What you talking about? Yeah, you're not trying to inherit somebody else's debt. The fuck?
Yep.
Hell yeah, check your credit score. You're trying to see if you can build a future.
Tu sais, before the first
Before.
Second,
Do your
on a
research.
quelqu'un pour lui.
Ça a tout, moi.
Do your research.
I mean, comme check ses médias sociaux. Moi, je vais checker. Si,
Ouais, toujours.
if we're dating for the first time, I'm gonna check all your
Le
socials.
deep dive, ok, c'est quoi la limite? Tu vas juste checker voir s'il a un réseau social, genre si he's on it,
S'il est
ou tu
popping.
vas aller faire le deep dive, je vais aller sur son Facebook, checker ses photos de 2005.
Wow.
De
I
base.
don't, but
De
like,
base. De base.
So-
De base.
I don't
Ouais,
Google.
ça dépend. Parce que first date,
Google.
depending on why I'm dating you for. Tu comprends? If I'm dating you for pussy, I'm not gonna dive on all. C'est juste ça, tu comprends?
On va savoir
Eh, non,
who's
ben
the
non.
crazy person.
Non. If I'm dating, okay. Eh, mais that's not dating. Techniquement, if you're dating for pussy, it's not dating. That's not dating.
No, because you're not doing nothing. But
Okay, so
fucking.
what? So if
Dating
you're
means y'all
chasing-
interact, y'all hanging out. You're
Okay,
not.
you're
from
just
that-
chasing.
Yeah,
If you're just chasing, faire
J'ai
le
vu, j'ai
deep
vu.
dive. Faire le deep dive, c'est pas nécessaire. Je trouve que
Non.
c'est même psycho limite.
Ben,
You know?
c'est...
It is.
even if it's just casual.
Non,
like,
mais
y'all-
en même temps, c'est un peu se préparer. Non, mais tu sais,
Mais-
non, mais il y a des
C'est pas
limites,
n'importe
là.
quoi.
C'est genre, tu vas.
Si t'as des
tu
plans
vas voir
futurs pour la personne.
Non, mais tu vas voir des photos, ça, comme checker si la personne a
listen,
un kid.
listen.
Savoir si la personne a un
Listen.
chum ou une blonde.
Listen, everybody,
c'est ça.
listen.
Checker ses tweets, savoir à quel point problématique.
Listen. Everybody, when you start
N'importe
talking to a new person, goes on the Instagram and see what's on their feed.
Yeah.
Everybody does that.
Instagram, même pas Facebook. Parce que
Not
Facebook,
Facebook.
Google,
vraiment
you
marche.
Google the person.
That's a lot.
Google.
C'est
That's a lot. That's a
Google,
lot.
c'est un petit peu-
That's a lot. That's a lot.
C'est beaucoup.
That's
À
a
moins
lot.
que tu saches que la personne est déjà quelque chose, puis that they're Googleable, genre, that il
Right?
pourrait avoir des articles.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
That's too much for me.
Tu veux que je te donne mon press kit tant qu'à faire?
Tant qu'à faire. Hey, I mean, useful. OK, bon. Should you give up on someone after one red flag?
No.
What
I don't
type
think
of
so.
red flag?
It depends. Yeah, and one it depends on the red flag.
She got a
and
kid.
It's not really a red
pas
flag.
vraiment.
Not
Ça
to
dépend.
you.
Not
Not to
to
you.
me.
Not to you.
That's not a red flag. No, that's not a red
not
flag.
a
That's not a
red
red
flag,
flag.
no.
That's like that's not a red flag.
You're off that now.
OK. Si, admettons, attends. Si, admettons, tu rencontres un gars, OK, puis le gars a un enfant. Est-ce qu'il faudrait que ton kid puis son kid s'entendent?
No, unless
Non?
I'm
Pas
planning on
nécessairement.
marrying this person.
Pas nécessairement.
I mean, but you're not gonna know that at the gate.
C'est ça.
Non, mais
puis-
admettons, genre, il vient chez vous, puis tu sais...
C'est quoi, play date?
Non.
But if
Play
you,
date,
if
play
you
date,
plan,
play
if you
date,
plan,
genre.
no, but D, if you plan on
Play
taking it
date.
serious,
No.
if you plan on taking it serious, you would need your.
Oui, mais c'est des enfants, genre comme jusqu'à un certain point. It depends on the age gap, ça dépend de plein de choses. C'est pas une obligation qu'ils s'entendent bien, mais oui, il faut qu'ils soient cordial. là. Moi, est-ce que je dois mentir? C'était quand que j'avais vu quelque chose comme si toi tu t'entends pas bien avec l'enfant de ton significant other.
On s'entend que, ouais, d'une certaine façon, ok, the guy doesn't have to be good with kids, mais au moins qu'il est comme
C'est encore drôle. Oui, tu dois être manque des enfants.
Mais oui, quand même, là. Je veux
People
dire.
that hate kids, là.
Ça,
Non, mais
ça
ok,
mettons,
non,
moi,
ce
je
que
rencontre
veux dire,
quelqu'un qui a un
ok,
kid,
mais-
là,
ok,
genre,
ok,
je
tu
sais
peux-
même pas comment
je
je
t'ai
réagis.
dit, ok, je t'ai pas dit hating the kid. He could be not good with kids, mais il a les intentions, là. Il
Ouais,
peut arriver,
ok.
il dit, il voit ton kid, puis il commence à le flatter comme si c'était un chien, puis pour lui, c'est normal, là. Il le flatte, ton fils, là, il le flatte, mais toi, t'es comme, mon enfant, c'est pas un chien, il dit, what the fuck. Mais lui, dans sa tête, il est pas habitué
Ouais,
à ça,
là,
c'est comme ça.
Jameson, va me chercher du
Il a
jus.
l'intention.
Exactement, ça dépend de l'intention de
Il a
la
l'intention,
personne.
mais il a
Good
juste
boy,
pas le
good
talent pour,
boy.
tu comprends?
Nah, but like, I mean, as for like one, it depends on how
On the red flag.
No, it depends on how the red flag affects your core values. You know what I'm saying? Like if your core values are set, like these are it,
Yeah.
and it triggers one of those things, then cool. But if it's like the nigga don't fucking like the nigga don't put the seat down when he takes a piss, like.
Ah, that's not a red flag.
That's what, but you know, but some girl, listen,
for
I
some
grew up
girls,
with a mama
man.
and a sister. Trust me, they hated
What?
that shit.
Ouais? Okay, you have a mom. I
sit
thought you
down.
were with a mama and her
No, I
sister.
grew up.
Non, mais genre.
Comme le genre de red flag que comme dès les premières conversations, la femme te raconte déjà plein de problèmes, le gars te raconte ses histoires. Moi,
Ah ouais, pour de
depuis
vrai,
que tu me
commence pas à
racontes
parler
tes
d'autres-
problèmes,
Ouais, exactement, je suis off.
Oh,
depuis que tu me racontes des problèmes de ta vie, oh, ceci, cela, puis après,
Damn,
sur toi,
we
ceci,
killed
cela,
a whole
tu me
Haitian,
parles de tes
bro.
problèmes de
I don't know how much
santé,
we can
comme, tu sais, des affaires qui sont tout deep, que comme, tu sais,
Oh,
c'est
ouais.
pas des informations à chaîne nécessairement.
Oh, ouais.
Tu sais, tu me parles de ta dépression, de ceci, comme, et c'est correct, j'ai pas dit que c'est pas normal que quelqu'un ait des problèmes.
Mais c'est
Tu
juste que
comprends?
beware.
Mais deal with it first, après viens me parler, ou bien parlons, tu comprends? Après on peut se parler, tu comprends?
I get
Mais
it, but
personnellement, je suis un peu selfish comme ça. Je veux pas sauver le monde entier là.
I'm like that too. I don't like dealing with
See what I
overly
mean?
insecure
That's what I
females
mean.
where it
That-
comes to like where I'm put in question all the time. If I'm put in question all the time, I'm not a fan of that.
Yeah.
100%. Because I know my intentions. I know what I'm trying to do. So like you just need to like put those aside a little bit. Just take this love I'm trying to give you, and we gonna call it a day. What's the next
Okay.
question?
Next question. Do guys care if girls shave or not? Legs, underarms?
Hell no. Hell no.
Who cares pour de vrai?
Who gives a fuck?
Ça dépend.
Who gives a fuck?
Donne-moi un bushy pussy, puis ça me
No, I
dérange.
mean
Who gives a
vaginas,
fuck?
I don't
Really?
mind. Ça personnellement,
I don't fucking
ça
care,
I really
my
don't
nigga.
mind. Like tu m'amènes avec un qui
fucking
peut-être pas
forêt, mon
bushy,
gars.
bushy,
Ah,
tu
fucking
comprends?
forêt.
Mais
I will toss
mais
that
en
shit.
bas bras, mais en bas bras.
Okay, nigga.
Yeah.
Nigga went Chewbacca on that pussy, bro. Let's go, nigga.
Non, mais I mean pour le vrai.
gives
tu
a
vois,
fuck?
C'est exagéré!
Pour que ma moustache tangle avec
Renzel,
le
bro,
pussy.
je vois que Renzel met sa main sur sa tête là.
Yo, Renzel's talking shit. He got a full ass beard. It ain't no different whether she
Tu vois,
shaves
soit
her
la
pussy.
barbe à
she-
Renzel,
like-
soit une fille m'amène avec la barbe à Renzel sur sa chatte là, je dis ok.
C'est même
Mais
sensation.
si je l'aime bien, je vais peut-être la manger quand même.
Comment? Oui, si elle a comme moi, là.
Oui, elle a une barbe comme. Bro,
Allez, tu viens
Elle a le barbe sur le vagin.
si je l'aime bien, je vais quand même.
Elle a un petit design, elle a
Je
un petit
peux
dress.
ça quand même.
Elle a un dread sur le vagin.
Tout
ok?
comprends?
Elle monte
Tout
tout,
respect, a long time ago, j'étais avec une fille. Elle, you know, she had no home training.
You can
feel
make
me?
braids.
Okay.
No, her mom didn't take care of her like that.
Oh, wow.
Tu vois ce que je veux dire?
Sa mère était
personne
blanche?
lui avait
Sa mère était
expliqué.
blanche?
Non, Haitian. All Haitian. Mais, you know, personne lui avait expliqué que quand les gens disaient que tu te rasais le vagin, it was the bottom part, not the top part. Right? So the top part was empty, the bottom part was living.
Yum.
Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I'm sorry. That's no. Moi, je suis désolé. Moi, quand une fille, elle laisse ses dessous de bras pousser, I want to know what the point is, à
Mais
qui
c'est
ça
ça, je
s'adresse,
dis.
et,
Vagina, I could do, mais
et qui elle essaie de
dessous de bras.
plaire, surtout. Non, c'est pas ça.
That's different.
Il y a un problème en 2020, là.
what I
Let's
mean.
talk about it real soon,
No,
real
I'm
fast.
saying that's
Il y a un problème en
weird.
2020 parce que les femmes, des fois, t'es
You're,
comme...
no, what
Il y
you're
a une fille
saying.
qui m'avait dit,
Attends,
il y a une fille qui m'avait dit, yo les gars, il y a une fille qui m'avait dit, tu sais, qui parlait de twerker, je sais pas trop quoi, que. Puis là, je suis comme, honnêtement, là, il y a des modes de twerk que c'est un délire de bitch versus bitch, ok? C'est-à-dire, moi, je suis une fille dans le club, je suis en train de twerker pour qu'une autre femme comme ça, tu comprends? Ain't got nothing to do with none of our pleasure.
Right.
Tout ça, c'est une compétition entre chicks.
Right.
Nous, on n'est que des observateurs, si on est capable de prendre notre plaisir, on prend notre plaisir. OK? Mais ça va. Mais don't try and sell that to me. Like this was a trying to get you hard type of moment. You feel me? Quand tu te rases pas en dessous des bras, si c'est un délire de féminisme entre toi et ta meilleure amie,
say that's what it is, but don't come to me like, oh, what do you think, baby? I think it's disgusting.
C'est vrai que le Barbara, c'est pas.
C'est ça, je te dis.
Ça, je veux dire,
Mais ça me dérange
Barbara,
pas, pour de-
les gens,
Mais je vais faire
même
comme
les
un
gros bouche. C'est pas
à un
propre,
certain
Joe.
niveau,
C'est
je
pas
peux tolérer
propre, Joe.
encore.
C'est-tu
Tu vois,
propre?
mais Barbara, c'est comme Chet.
C'est pas propre. The fact that you say that shit is weird, bro.
No, but I mean, this is too much, you know? Like,
Honestly, because what you talking about, Born, what you talking about is that you're talking about what's not aesthetically pleasing to you. So visually, literally what you looking at, you got hair on your arms, you got hair in your armpits, great, cool. But you're not fucking the armpits, you're not fucking the arms, you fucking the vagina.
no.
So wouldn't you
Mais
want...
à la fin
No,
de la
but I'm
journée,
saying, wouldn't you
quand
want the vagina to be more aesthetically pleasing because you entering that?
While you're fucking the vagina,
Right.
aren't the arms around your neck?
Yeah, it's warm.
Mais ça fait un
Is
petit
it
ça fait un petit
It's warm.
duvet. Ça fait un
It's
petit
warm.
duvet.
She's like this.
Ça fait
And
un
it's
petit duvet, ça
warm.
fait-
fucking the vagina.
And it's
I like
warm.
it. I love it.
Yeah, it's a nice
I
little
love
warm
it.
on your
like
back.
to see the bushes.
Okay,
Ben,
order.
Baffenberg.
She said order.
As the
Baffenberg.
only woman here, en tant que la seule femme ici, je vais vous dire qu'on le fait pas pour vous. Ça, vous le saviez déjà.
Absolument.
Merci.
C'est
Voilà,
Y'all do it for
ça,
yourself.
c'est plus gros menti que les femmes donnent, ok? On le fait pas pour vous.
Mais
No,
c'est
but she's
vrai.
not lying though.
De pas se
c'est
raser
bien.
ou de se
Fais-le.
raser. Ou de se raser.
Ok.
Yo, she's not, no, for real, no bullshit. She's not lying. Listen,
Man.
yo, shaving is for them, lingerie is for them, all that's for them.
Go ahead. Let her talk.
It's their confidence
No,
to make them.
they think.
No, it's
for
not.
us.
No.
Non,
Well, to be honest,
Moi,
c'est
personnellement, si j'ai le goût de me raser, je me rase. Si j'ai pas le goût de me raser, je me
It's
rase
for
pas.
her to feel good.
Puis après ça, ce que t'en penses,
It's for her to feel.
Ouais, c'est
Yo,
vrai.
when girls try to tell you,
Secondaire.
yo, I got this. When girls try to tell you, yo, I went out and I went to Victoria's Secret. I bought all this lingerie for you. No, you didn't. You
That's a
bought
big
it so
scam.
you feel good.
Yeah.
Because we don't care.
We
guys
don't
care
give a
about
fuck.
lingerie. at
Bitch,
all.
you could be working at McDonald's. You show up to you should listen. I'm gonna fuck the shit out of you
Sans la
today.
graisse.
You
Sans la
should-
graisse, sans la frite.
Facts,
Parce que
bro.
moi, je vais pas bang quand même.
I don't give a fuck. Show up with a
Jude
smell
is
like
different.
burgers and
Jude is
fries in the whole
Exactly.
McDonald's uniform. If I know I'm getting pussy, my dick gonna be hard.
De base.
Hey.
So Didi,
Oui.
so là, tu t'en vas dans un date potential dick appointment, tu comprends? Là, t'as juste ça comme yo, I'm bushy, je m'en fous. Comme moi,
Mais
personnellement.
honnêtement, ça dépend. Moi,
je suis ce gars dans ce date,
personnellement.
moi, ça me dérange pas. Mais comme tu connais pas le gars comme ça, tu comprends?
Exactement. Moi, non, c'est comme. Même if I'm not having sex, j'ai quand même mon régiment that I'm gonna get waxed regardless.
Okay.
So.
That's
Si
for
ça
your.
donne. If
Mais
you're
comme,
in,
si
you,
ça-
I happen to go on a date with you and I kind of want to fuck and you're in between waxes, ben you're in between
Okay.
waxes, my
That's
guy.
it. And you take that as it is. And you not gonna say no to pussy because she didn't get a wax?
Exactly.
Yeah,
I'm ready.
fuck.
My
Do
nigga,
what
you
you gotta do.
crazy.
It's like period sex too. I fuck yo, period don't stop
de
nothing but a
base.
sentence.
De base.
Je vais le faire.
You,
On
so
va
ding
le
ding
faire.
ding ding ding. You said the trigger word.
What'd I
Period
say?
sex.
Yeah. What happened? Period sex. Period.
Jude is an expert.
You fuck on periods all the time?
I hate on period.
He eats pussy.
Whoa. You eat vagina on periods?
Yeah.
It happens.
No. Don't it just happen, nigga.
I'm gonna be honest.
Non, mais c'est pas automatique.
What we not gonna do?
C'est pas automatique, c'est ça.
What we
Parce que Jude est
not,
différent.
what we
Jude est
not
différent.
gonna do is sit here and bullshit the fucking audience. Talking about it happens, nigga.
Like-
that shit lasts a week. You know.
Like, you know. Moi, it happened to me by accident.
Me too. Me too. This summer.
Jude grabs a chair at Pharmaprix at the Kotex aisle and just see what's happening.
And he just be watching who's shopping for what. And I'm like, ooh, that's the one right there. Just driving his nose. Nigga, this
doing,
ain't,
girl?
it happens. Listen, it
C'est
happened.
arrivé genre, oui, it happened.
No.
Ça
That's
pour-
not what
non,
you said.
fait 6 mois mon anglais si.
But how
pas
many
français.
times? But how many times does it have to happen for it to be a thing?
C'est arrivé 2 fois, ça pourrait arriver encore.
Like, you're open to it. That's what I don't
That's
understand.
what I'm saying. Me,
Like,
it happened by accident.
same thing to me.
100%.
Mais tu
I
l'as fait par
kickstarted it.
accident.
Yeah, but I
Comme
kickstarted
it
it.
happened by accident. Quand je dis
Non,
happened
moi,
by-
elle était en plein
comme,
milieu.
genre, elle savait pas. Genre, c'est sa première journée de règles.
Yeah.
Ah non, moi
Tu
c'était.
comprends? Elle savait.
Yeah.
On
Comme,
était dedans.
genre, on a quoi le soir d'avant, là? Correct. Tu comprends?
I looked
Et puis,
freaky on
le
accident.
matin d'après, tu comprends? Mais, à partir de là, que j'ai réalisé que c'était du sang, là. Que là, ma douette, là, puis en même temps, m'a mangé, puis là, je sors mes doigts, je suis oh!
You tasted metal. You tasted nickels.
Oui, justement, ça
You tasted like quarters in your
À partir de
mouth.
ce moment-là, toute la relation écrasée, mon zozo a fait joup. C'est fini là. Je vais
That's
laver
you,
ma
my
face.
nigga. That's you, my nigga.
À partir de là, tout est écrasé. Là, c'est
That shit
fini.
happened to me on
J'ai plus
accident.
d'excitation, là.
I think there should be a disclosure. Je trouve que les filles, vous êtes très reckless par rapport à ça, honnêtement.
Yo.
Très reckless parce que dernièrement, j'avais fini de eat the pussy pour longtemps, là. Longtemps. Et puis après ça, I'm just doing my thing, just, you know, banging. Puis là, je vois du sang, tu sais, ben, I'm wearing condom. Puis là, je suis comme, yo, did I break your vagina? What's up? Puis là, elle me dit non, je suis comme,
Spotting or
vers
whatever.
la fin de mon period.
Yeah,
Là, je suis comme,
spotting or whatever the bullshit.
you didn't tell me that while I'm in pussy, though.
That's the bullshit.
You didn't tell
That's
me that
the
while I'm
bullshit.
in
That's
pussy,
the-
though.
She was just starting for
Il y a
me.
beaucoup de recklessness dans le
Bullshit.
shit. I'm
That's
just
the
saying.
reckless
Il y a
for
beaucoup
me.
de
Mais
recklessness
par
dans le
contre, quand un gars dit pas qu'il va venir, si c'est le gars se
That's
chien sale.
different. That's
Oh,
different.
that's the same thing.
No, it's not. That's
It depends
different.
where you are at the moment where you're coming. Don't, like, it depends if you're having raw sex. Don't just come and not tell me you're coming. Ça n'a pas de sens.
Non, mais pas en dedans du vagin, moi, je parle dans une bouche. Je parle dans une bouche.
Listen, man, this drink is great. I'm gonna
OK, we're going to do 4 questions parce que ça fait 40 millions d'ans qu'on est là.
We've only been here for how long? We been here for?
1h30.
I'm down, bro. I'm having fun. Let's go for a record.
There are really good ones here.
Ask the questions.
OK,
girl.
si on devrait regarder ton porn search history, ce serait quoi les 3 premières catégories à apparaître?
Asian,
That's problematic.
Asian, girl on girl,
Problematic.
girl on girl, and POV, but specifically black POV.
Yes.
Okay.
It's like
Yes.
to put. I gotta make sure. Go ahead.
Oh, j'étais comme tabarnak, t'aimes juste les blanches, toi?
No. But I've just
Contrary
been
to
on the
popular
Asian kick
belief.
for a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of girls think I only like white girls, but like black girls.
Parce que Hakim m'a pas donné son bio, mais he's from Châteauguay.
Yeah, but
And-
black girls don't
Tu parles
fuck with
anglais
me.
comme ça, comme si
Comme si.
But black girls don't fuck with me.
Ah oui, mais il y avait en tout cas.
la gueule don't fuck with me.
Barney,
Thank
tu veux.
you.
Patient enough. You're not patient enough.
Shit.
Yo.
Je dirais black amateur.
Ah, j'ai jamais été très down avec
Yo,
amateur.
pour de
J'aurais
vrai,
peut-être,
parce que moi, j'ai trouvé des mondes
It's
qui ont vraiment,
realistic.
ils ont des comptes. C'est vraiment comme des couples.
comme un OnlyFans.
Ah oui.
Exactement.
Ah,
Puis
si, man.
ils ont leur compte. Ils ont
Oh
leur
my God,
compte
t'as
en
mis
Barn.
ça.
Et même sur Pornhub, sur peu importe, ils ont
It
des
makes
comptes.
you feel like you could do this shit too.
Exactement. Parce
Yo,
que je sais que
quand Tiana Chop a un nouveau chum, tabarnak, est-ce que je suis capote?
Bro,
Il
it
des
makes
trucs
it
avec son chum.
It makes it feel like we could do this shit too.
Même si c'est des vrais porn stars, tu comprends? Il y en a que sur leur compte personnel sur Pornhub ou peu importe le site que tu vas, tu comprends? Elles ont un compte personnel qui postent des affaires que c'est comme yo, c'est live là, c'est du monde.
ouais.
C'est leur vrai coin là, c'est
Eh
pas un.
ben.
c'est
It's
un
their life,
scène.
it's their life.
Et là, c'est la même chose. Ça,
just
c'est
put a
comme, yo,
GoPro and that's
c'est juste
it.
un partenaire qui a mis sa caméra là, j'aurais pu être là. J'aurais pu être de l'autre
Exactement,
côté.
exactement.
Tu comprends?
Écoutez-moi!
Facts. Amateur making.
Après ça, je pense que je pourrais dire.
OnlyFans, bientôt. JUD OnlyFans.
Oh.
Jesus Christ.
Mais
Après
tu pourrais
ça,
demander à Hakim. Hakim does OnlyFans management.
I do consulting.
Consulting.
T'as déjà fuck combien de filles de OnlyFans?
Mesdames, je suis prête à faire un truc, ok? S'il y a des filles qui m'écoutent, il y a un partenaire sur Instagram qui fait des massages, ok? Puis qui les pose sur Instagram.
Ah oui, il fait des
moi
massages.
je veux en faire un comme ça. Moi, c'est comme un délire. S'il y a une femme qui m'écoute en ce moment qui veut être le sujet féminin de cet exercice, don't worry about it, no funny business.
juste un test, c'est juste un test.
I'm probably like a 9 out of 10 on the massage scale, okay? So don't worry about that. Mais, s'il y a des gens qui m'écoutent, just let me know.
Moi, j'ai déjà massé une masseuse qui trouvait que je
I'm decent. I just got calluses. That's why it feels good.
Oh.
What about you?
All right.
Dead. Okay. Shit. Ah, no.
This two.
There's-
You said one. What's your three?
Shit.
You said a black amateur.
Ou c'est black, virgule, amateur.
He likes
Non, les deux
college.
ensemble, les
Ok,
deux
oui,
ensemble.
oui, c'est ça.
He likes college.
C'est quoi? Milking table.
The what?
What?
Milking table?
Milk?
Milking table. C'est vraiment bizarre. Comme-
What is... Mais décris un peu.
Because I love head, right? I love head. Tu comprends? But milking table, c'est simple. C'est comme un nouveau concept de Glory Hole. Aussi simple. Le partenaire est couché sur une table avec un trou au milieu. Là, il y a une forme en dessous. La forme est en train de le foutre.
Oh, wow.
And he just, I get it. Milking
Okie
table.
dokie.
Demande-moi pourquoi je suis tombé sur ça, je ne sais pas.
Mais
Mais je suis tombé sur ça, j'ai
Yo,
fil-
the views on this shit.
I fell on it and I
Tu
haven't
comprends?
gone back since.
Well, mais c'est
And I
vrai.
guess
But you don't get to see the guy, alors j'imagine que c'est plus fun pour les gars. Mais non, mais c'est ça.
C'est la fille, c'est juste la
Exactement.
fille. C'est son head skill que je veux voir.
Oh, yo, hand skill and head is more important than what the mouth is doing.
Puis, I guess, les noodles.
Milking table, that's crazy hilarious.
Moi, c'est amateur.
Regardez.
Black amateur.
Yeah.
Je suis dans le Ebony Masturbation Cream.
Ebony. Ebony?
Ebony.
Ebony?
Ebony, oui. Hey!
Nigga said Ebony.
Je parle aussi bien anglais que toi, tu parles français, ok? Merci beaucoup.
Yo, t'inquiète, G. Moi, je suis là. OK. Moi, je suis là. Don't disrespect me, bro.
OK.
Le gars, il parle le proper franglais.
Moi, je passe mon tour. Next.
Attends, je peux finir.
Ah oui, c'est vrai, sorry.
Puis,
So, Ebony, Black Amateur,
oui. Non, mais Ebony Cream.
Cream Pie.
Don't forget the...
No,
No,
cream, just
cream.
cream.
Just cream.
What's
No
cream?
cream.
C'est-à-dire que
Creaming.
la fille se masturbe
Of
tellement
girl.
que... Ouais, ouais.
Ooh.
Just creaming.
That's different.
Pour défaire le mythe urbain, this is a thing. The creaming thing is about
Ovulation.
ovulation. So,
So, that means she can get pregnant.
c'est
That's
comme
why.
par hasard un moment dans le mois. C'est pas spécial.
That's
là.
why. That's why.
All right.
OK.
All right, proceed.
Puis la dernière, c'est fucking fucked up, mais genre, tu sais, la machine qui fait genre, qui a genre un dildo au bout, puis qui fait genre
Yo, je suis fucking dead. OK. Ça, j'ai jamais été into the...
Moi, je me trouvais weird à mes catégories, mais je pense que c'est chill d'abord.
c'est quoi
What's your
tes catégories?
category?
Moi, j'ai pas besoin de le dire. Il y avait assez...
Yo, dude, what's your
Hey, t'es pas
category?
co-animatrice de D'amour et de sexe for nothing, ok?
Bro, what's your categories, bro?
Come on, Steve.
OK, 2 out of
Je vais
3.
finir par te
2 out of
remplacer.
3. You don't have to give
Yo,
the
2 out of 3,
the
2 out of
most
3, 2 out of 3.
Let's just say il y a BBC. BBC,
Obviously.
puis après ça, il y a d'autres choses.
Mais c'est quoi
Yo,
l'autre chose?
Didi.
C'est quoi ta honte de
Didi, on m'a dit que
regarder
t'aimes
des
les gars avec les
hentai?
gros ventres.
Yo,
Non,
Didi,
il n'y a pas d'hentai.
yo, t'as
On m'a dit que t'aimes
changé.
les gars avec les gros ventres.
Non.
What's the, yo, BBC and what?
Pourquoi on aime les gros ventres?
Yo, BBC and what?
J'ai BBC anything. Après, BBC threesome, BBC...
BBC Threesome FFM ou FMM?
Mostly FFM, mais ça dépend de mon mood. I'll watch a bi threesome sometimes.
Word.
I do watch gay
Do you
porn.
watch gangbangs?
I watch gay
porn?
porn. I do
Okay.
watch gay porn.
Do you watch gay?
Shout out.
Yeah, gay.
Like gay?
And they have like
Barney
they
m'a
have
passé
trap.
Nico a dit enough.
It's like niggas and they're like trap niggas and
What?
they fuck.
And they fuck other dudes?
Yeah.
Trap niggas and they fuck dudes?
That's the trap niggas?
Oui, oui.
With
you like-
dreads and Tim boots.
Dreads and Tim boots and they fuck other niggas?
Yes.
God damn.
Comme
You know,
elle, ce qu'elle aime,
and you-
c'est un threesome qui a commencé 2 nègres qui commencent à fourrer une femme, puis d'un gars, un qui attrape le pénis de l'autre gars.
And be like, yo.
We start sucking dick. Là, elle est contente. Là, elle
And
est
then,
contente.
and wait, you watch gangbangs too?
Yes.
Like all gangbangs on a girl?
Yeah.
Can I share
the
what my favorite
dumbest
thing
shit in
is?
the
J'en ai
world.
juste un, moi.
Vas-y.
White
People
girl.
making bad decisions.
Come on. So it's like
Ok, là, je vais m'ouvrir le plus que je me
Elle
sois
a où?
ouvert en plus.
Elle a-
C'est tellement spécifique. Moi, j'aime un truc qui s'appelle Net Video Girls.
Oh, I've been, yes. Nigga.
For years now. For
Nigga.
years. I have paid at some point in my life for that.
better pay for
Nigga.
At some point in my life.
Non.
Ça, c'est un truc où est-ce que des filles viennent pour des auditions. Puis
They
les gars,
think
ils
they're
mettent
getting like a music
ils
video
mettent
or
des
some
pubs genre, on a une vidéo pour Ja Rule, pour 50 Cent, pour truc machin. Puis là, c'est comme, ok, là, tu sais, ok, mais déshabille-toi. Puis tout d'un coup, la fille est en train de fourrer. Mais tu sais, ce qui arrive, c'est que ce qui est intéressant pour
That's
moi.
rape, though.
Non.
not
Ça,
rape.
elle
It's not
est,
rape.
It's a decision
t'inquiète,
making process.
c'est
It
tout
is.
des trucs où you could tell that there is a real decision making process.
100%.
Puis even while they're fucking, sometimes you can even see the regret.
Yes. Yes.
No.
C'est exactement ça. That's rape.
Yes,
I
not
don't
rape.
know
Not
why,
rape.
It is
but I
rape.
love poor decision making.
Bro, it's like, yo, casting couch?
Ok, mais c'est
Great.
fake, genre. C'est pas
No,
real.
no, it's real.
They
so
cannot
much
be
they
doing
pay.
that
Pardon.
and be that much of an actress, that good of an actress.
Bro,
you cannot be
casting
that
couch.
good of an actress.
Bro, honestly, let me tell you something. Net Video Girls,
Ouais.
casting couch,
Cassie
that
Couch,
stuff?
Cassie Couch HD,
bro, that,
which is
sure,
different.
But of course,
which is Net
but of
Video
course.
Girls with a black guy fucking.
But of course, but here's what I'm saying.
Ouais.
But here's what I'm saying.
Yo.
That stuff,
Badass.
that stuff is what happens before you see the rest of the shit.
Yes.
You've probably seen porn stars that have done porn movies
Coming
and then,
from that
and then
space.
afterwards you would watch those videos, but you thinking, oh, it's all fake. No, that shit they really
Comme
try.
des filles, c'est comme ça qu'elles rentrent dans le game.
Exactly, bro.
C'est
They
comme ça.
try-
Yo,
des fois, là, the black girls are the more fun because the black girls, they look so regular. And until at least half of the porn, they're still not sure, but they're fucking already, right?
Exactly. and then they realize, then they realize that they're not gonna get in the music video, but they're like, yo, you're gonna pay me this much just to fuck?
Yeah.
Like, I've been fucking weak ass
They like
niggas.
it too. Genre, tu peux voir des fois la fille qui est là comme ça, comme she likes it, but she doesn't.
Yeah,
Tu sais, normalement, c'est la fille qui ferait style, non.
Because you put a value on the pussy, right?
Wow.
Fact, no, but
Mais
nigga,
là,
like,
le problème, c'est que c'est tellement out. C'est-à-dire que là, ça fait longtemps que t'as déjà dit I'm good
T'as
to fuck
déjà dit
to
oui.
me 50 cents. I'm gonna meet 50 cents? Okay. All right. And I gotta fuck you first? I guess.
that's light work. That's light work.
Puis là, je suis comme, I guess it's fun. I mean, I like
C'est
it.
Harvey Weinstein.
No, because you've
No.
Because you've been fucking niggas
Mais c'est
after
intéressant le
Arby's.
parallèle, là.
You've been fucking
Mais tu
niggas.
comprends ce que je veux dire? C'est comme.
No, it's not.
Non,
It's
c'est
not the same thing.
Oui,
It's
mais
not the
Harvey
same
Weinstein, c'est jamais vraiment forcé
It's
sur
not
des
the
filles.
same thing.
Il a genre fait, hey, veux-tu prendre un drink? Veux-tu venir dans ma chambre? Hey, veux-tu qu'on fasse?
It's not the
Hey.
same thing. It's not the same thing. I'll tell you why.
Mais-
I'll tell you
you know
why.
what
Mais
the
oui, c'est la même chose.
between
genre, C'est la même chose. Genre,
Et non une récompense.
It's
Vous allez
where,
avoir
no.
quelque chose de conséquent s'il le faisait
It's a
pas.
difference between. It's a difference about where you found the casting at. Il y en a un, c'est
Non, mais
ton
c'est genre-
il y en a un, c'est
c'est
ton
genre-
agent qui t'a envoyé, il y en a un, c'est Backpage. Mais either way, c'était la même chose.
Oui, mais après-
c'est la même chose.
But
Ce que
here's
je
what-
te dis, c'est que c'est la
And
même
here's
chose.
what,
C'est la
no,
même
you know,
chose. C'est la même-
no, let me
Attends,
tell you. Okay, go. I'll tell you why you're wrong after.
Attends, tu sais c'est quoi la seule différence? Tu
Quoi?
vas beat 50 Cent.
Psych.
Attends, tu vas jouer dans un film. Si t'es assez bonne.
Non, c'est pas ça. C'est comme. Ah,
Ren, can I get it? Ren, can I get it?
Go
Can I get
ahead,
it?
go ahead.
The difference between Harvey Weinstein is that in Hollywood, when it comes to movies, there's a reputation build. So at a certain point, before we found out, people in Hollywood knew this is what you have to do to get in a Harvey Weinstein movie.
I don't think you wanted that really.
But I'm just either way. But then when it comes to music videos are quick. They're quick. They're
moi, je pense que c'est
you bang.
No,
but
you're
bang
making
out-
about the wrong thing.
No,
Il y a
but
des
you
filles- il y a
bang
des
out a
filles
music
qui
video on
veulent
one
le
day.
plus pour le moins d'efforts possible. Il y en a
That's
plein
it,
de
bro.
ça.
That's it,
Il y en a
bro.
plein de ça, puis il faut pas en faire des
C'est
victimes parce que c'est comme un long play. C'est comme quand ton père, il y a quelqu'un qui avait dit mets 500, tu vas avoir 5000. C'est la même chose, sauf que c'est ce genre de. Tout le monde sait ça. Sauf que c'est le genre de truc où est-ce que ton père, il fallait aussi qu'il prenne une photo tout nu. Tu comprends ce que je veux dire?
Wow!
Hey,
Aïe, aïe.
wow. Sur cette
sur
cette belle question. That was the last one.
That was the last one?
Yeah.
Oh, we don't got no more? Man, I'm having so much fun.
On en garde pour la semaine prochaine qui est notre All Men episode.
The
Oh, man,
the
episode.
I'm having
toxicity
so
that's
much
gonna be
fun.
around here.
I'm having so much fun.
C'est quoi
pas là, tabarnak!
Attends, mais
pour ça qu'on
Renzel,
donne pas de
faut
micro.
qu'on choisisse bien ensemble c'est qui va être là.
Vous feriez ça
Bring
off
Andrew.
mic.
Je suis à la maison, Didi elle est là, j'arrive ici, Didi elle est là, ça va être bien que Didi soit pas là. C'est pour ça qu'ils savent pas
invite.
Didi.
C'est tellement une présence.
Didi is my work wife, for those who don't
Exactement, je suis
know.
une belle
Therefore,
présence
c'est
dans
comme,
sa vie.
I get all the good stuff, none of the other good stuff.
Let me tell you something. Ren, I didn't tell you. I've been getting asked about Didi pretty much all week.
All the time, don't worry about
It's
it.
insane.
It's not a new thing.
It's not
I
new.
do that to women's reputations.
It's insane. I
It's
know
a
you. I
thing.
believe it.
Merci d'avoir été à D'amour et de sexe.
Are we really done?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so sad.
Tell the
I
people
know.
where they can find you.
Find me at, you can
Yes.
find me at Akeem Grams with a Z. That's my Instagram, Akeem Tweets with a Z.
When's your next show?
My next
Comme
show,
loin en
actually,
janvier, là, comme at the end of January.
Renzel and I are doing a show at the end of the month.
Yes.
25th in the West Island. Big Will
Yeah, shout out
comedy
to
show. It's
Big
gonna
Will,
be good.
justement. Yo, venez me voir
Shout
dans
out to
la
Big
salle,
Will. That's
Hit up
gonna be a-
Renzel, hit up myself. We're gonna have a
movie.
big show. It's gonna be mad fun. It's gonna be dope.
Don't forget about the massage thing. I'm looking.
Right?
Renzel's looking for
He's trying to get his
massage
credits.
cobaye. Est-ce que tu donnes des bons massages? Je sais qu'il a des bonnes huiles. 9 sur 10.
He's trying to get his credits.
He has that organic
Straight.
shit. Il n'y a pas de problème.
Straight.
I just use
Um,
bare hands. That's it.
Bare hands.
Pas d'huile?
Barney, tu veux donner tes
Calluses.
réseaux, chou?
Shit, Barney the Brown. Instagram.
I love him.
Comme
Barney
Charlie,
the Brown
mais
on
Barney.
Barney the Brown on Instagram, Barney Brown sur Twitter, Barney Brown sur Facebook. Don't add me on Facebook. I'm just saying. Mais si tu me connais, comme pourquoi si tu me connais pas, pourquoi tu m'adresses? Comme je trouve
Mais
que
le monde,
Facebook,
ils
c'est-
aiment Facebook,
you know,
ils aiment avoir
but,
des
you know,
amis.
At least low key.
Sur
they just
Twitter
wanna
à
have
temps
friends.
partiel, de
Facebook, c'est-
temps
c'est
à autre, je vais
personnel.
tweet.
toi là, le gars qui dit pourquoi tu m'as hâte? C'est toi ça?
Ah, je sais pas.
C'est toi ça qui m'écrit pour me dire pourquoi tu m'as hâte?
Non. C'est sûr, c'est pas
Non, je
Barney.
vais pas prendre le temps de t'écrire aux autres pourquoi tu m'as hâte.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Donc, moi, c'est Didi the Destroyer sur toutes les places, là.
Toutes les plateformes.
Juste sur Instagram.
Ouais.
Si t'es pas déjà sur Twitter, aide-moi pas sur Twitter.
Moi, j'ai eu d'expérience sur toutes les plateformes. J'ai eu d'expérience. Shout à Choc pour les locaux. On n'oublie pas Karen sur Wesh Karen sur Instagram. N'oubliez pas de nous envoyer.
Fais te dire, Wesh Karen, que je suis toujours disponible pour la citoyenneté si c'est une chose qui est sur la table. Je sais qu'elle est à Paris en ce moment, peut-être qu'elle a de la difficulté à rentrer dans le pays.
Elle a de la difficulté à prendre le métro.
Ah, mais je veux juste que pendant qu'elle est là-bas, je veux qu'elle sache
choses,
que Daddy Renzel here, if you need the papers, I'm gonna take care of you. I'm gonna take care of you.
Renzel Dashington, les amis, sur toutes les plateformes.
Suivez d'Amour et de Sexe sur Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Oubliez pas de nous envoyer des courriers du cœur. On va avoir des t-shirts.
Hey!
Merch!
Merch, yeah. Fait que c'est la meilleure façon de...
T'as pas dit ton jeu d'expérience?
Oui, j'ai dit.
Ah, tu l'as dit?
Fait que on se revoit la semaine prochaine.
Oui!
For the All Men episode.
J'ai pas hâte.
Tu seras même pas là.
Je sais, mais j'ai pas hâte de l'écouter et de voir ce que vous avez fait.
C'est qui l'invité, Jude?
Il y a Renzel, puis on n'a pas encore décidé c'est qui les autres.
Gardez la toxicité à un minimum et on se revoit la prochaine fois.
Invite Andrew. That's my guy.
Ciao.
Bring Andrew on the podcast. I love y'all.
Yes. Ciao.
Gang. Hey, Bobo.
That was so much fun. So much fun. So much fun. So much fun.